Closer, closer, closer than I ever been. Closer, closer, closer than I ever been. I just know we getting closer, 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 closer. I just know we getting closer, 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 closer than I ever been.
Yeah, I used to dream about showing the world what I dream about. Forget a mic, my whole life I thought it'd be the mouth. I guess it's fitting how life threw me the curveball. Pops told me work till you make it, man, then work more. I guess I took that to heart, cause I've been working harder now than I did at the start. And I won't stop till I get to the top, till I can give all of my fam all the things that they want. But there ain't no doubt I continue to be the doubted, but that's just motivating, so where would I be without it? Cause the same people asking why you're doing it will ask you how you did it. So fuck the critics, stay committed to your vision. They can't see it, it's yours. The top floor looks forward, you can get in the doors. But it's crazy what you can see with your eyes closed. That's why I stay in my grind mode. I know I'm getting
Closer, closer, closer than I ever been. Closer, closer, closer than I ever been. I just know we're getting closer, 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 closer. I just know we're getting closer, 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 closer than I ever been.
My whole life's been a chase, it's a gift and a curse. Was on my way up to the top and slipped into reverse. And the same thing I thought killed me brought out the real me. And that's real, see. You gotta find what you love and fulfill, do. Cause on the real, everybody go through times when the sun don't shine. Don't know when our time will come, but it will come in time. Cause yo, I said it first, ain't no telling where I'm headed. So this is for the people
Chat. What up?
And when I said it, I meant it. I swear I won't forget it. Told my family and my friends that I'm forever indebted to this friend.
Good morning.
Closer than I
It
ever
was good. Welcome in.
Closer, closer, closer than I ever been. I just know we're getting closer, 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 closer. I just know we're getting closer, 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 closer.
Chat was good.
Closer than I ever been. You start losing your mind when you're gone all the time.
W's in the chat. Happy Friday.
And you try to remind yourself it's gonna be fine, and you're hoping that it's true. You start losing your mind when you're gone all the time, and you're always on the move. And you try to remind yourself it's gonna be fine.
Welcome in. Happy Friday.
But
W's
I
in
know
the
we're
chat.
getting closer, closer, closer than I ever been. Closer, closer, closer than I ever been. I just know we're getting closer, 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 closer. I just know we're getting closer, 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 closer than I ever been. I just know we're getting closer.
Welcome in everyone. Hope you guys are doing great today. Let's get the day started here. Let's get the day started. It's gonna be a great day. Hope y'all are well. Happy Friday. What up, Andrew? What's good, Scott? What up, Gotta Trade? What up, AB Mike? AB Mike in the house. Z Gamer is in the house. What up, Z Gamer? What up, Shelly? What up, Daniel? Yep. DT Gamer in the house. What up, DT Gamer? Louis G in the building. What up, Louis G? All right, I see y'all. Hey, missed you guys yesterday. What up, Chala? What up, Nikki? What up, Rappin' Max? Wall Street Sniper in the building. What up, Wall Street Sniper? What up, Heart Foundation? DT Gamer. Did I say you already? I think I said DT Gamer. What's up, Sammy? What up, Davey P? Yo, George Poe in the house. What up, Connor FX? PM Magnifico. Got a Trade is here. What up, Got a Trade? What up, LeGrand? Good morning, Xander. Mr. Lopez here. Hey, man, I love you guys, man. You know, I see you guys in the chat just talking it up like it's a big family here, man. So cool to see. Richard Lewis in the building. What up, Energy? What up, Nathan? What's good? What up, Scott Blackwood? OGH in the building. The fam is here, man. The fam is here. Who else? Ayush in the building. Fix my socks. All right. What up, Billy O'Neill? What up, Storm Potato? Good morning, Dylan. Good morning, Bunkers. What up, Ben? Yes, sir. The Don is here. What up, the Don? What up, Jason C? Good morning, Wags. All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you guys. Let me just set things up here, and we're going to rock and roll here today. How you guys feeling? How was everybody's day off yesterday? Did you guys have a good day off? What'd you guys do? What'd you guys do yesterday? Anything good? Anything good? SJ, don't be weird, man. Don't be weird. What up, Flip? It's good, Flip. All right, one sec, guys. Hey, if you guys are not in our free Discord, you guys can join it. It's free, completely free. You guys are more than welcome to pull up. Let me just send the link out, and we will rock and roll. All right, perfect. Perfect. Let me share my screen, and we are ready. All right. True crime horror stories. What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? All right, let me lower the music, and welcome in, everyone. Welcome in as you guys settle down and relax here today. Kick your shoes off, and give the stream a like. Yeah, give the stream a like, and we're gonna get started. I'm gonna pray for you guys real quick, and then we're gonna rock and roll here today. So let me pray for y'all, and let's have a blessed one. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you for a blessed one. We thank you that it's a new day, Lord. I thank you for all your people in the chat, all of them that'll come in and come out of this live stream today. I pray that you touch them, Lord. I pray that you let them know that you're with them, that you would reveal your promises, man, that you've got promises for us to prosper, to succeed, to be free, Lord. Your word is so full of everything we need, Lord. I pray that you would draw your people's attention to it, because it's right in there, Lord. The manual is set in stone. So we thank you for it. We thank you that it's alive. We thank you that it's unlike any other book on the shelf, Lord, for it's alive, it is living, it is breathing, and it works within us, Lord. So we thank you for it. And again, I encourage every single person, Lord, that their spirits would yearn for more of your word, Lord. It's that good, Lord. It's that good. So we thank you for it. We thank you for the promises in it. And we ask that you bless this day ahead of us, and we give you the glory. In Jesus' name, amen. Amen. The word, the word, the word. The light and the life of all men. Hallelujah. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. Amens, amens. All right, let's rock and roll, gang. Let's go ahead and get started here today. Let me just lower this music a little bit more. I feel like it's too loud. Yeah, it should be good. Let me know how the music is while I minimize this stuff here. So good. So good, the word is. You ever heard that song? So good. So good. Man, that's the word, man. That is the word. All right, how's the music? Everybody good? Music good? Too loud? Too low? What do you think? Let's get rock and rolling. Somebody tell me quickly. Chat sleeping. Chat sleeping. All right, Z Gamer's alive here. Okay, cool. Z Gamer says the music is good, so we are gonna rock and roll. Let's get the day started here, chat. Let me grab my tools. I like what Zoom has done, actually. They've minimized this now, so that's actually pretty cool. All right, let's go ahead and get started again, chat. Today is Friday. It is July 5th. It feels like Monday, but yeah, it's Friday here. So today is Friday, July 5th. It is the last day of the week. It is another day, another opportunity for us to get together here, to be disciplined, to be patient, and march our way on to that eight-figure point, right? So that's kind of like what we're after here in the long run. I hope you guys can see it. I hope you guys can see the long-term vision. I'm nowhere near any success I have today without a very keen perspective on the long-term vision in life. So I hope you guys are locked in on the long term and ready to stay disciplined today so we can have a better tomorrow. So let's go ahead and talk about this, right? Today's Friday. It is July 5th. Yesterday was a holiday, but You know, I think some of you guys took some trades. I took one trade yesterday, but that was about it. It was a very quick scalp. But moving on to today, right? Today's the 5th. We have some very important things going on here today, right? So come 8:30, we will have NFP, which is non-farm payroll plus unemployment rates here. So that's going to be a big one here today. We also have all of like the rest of the session until 11 a.m. before another yellow folder comes in. So that's pretty much what's the major piece of headlines here today. So we just got to be aware of that. Right, just got to be aware of that. 8:30, big news. Probably won't be taking any positions till 8:30. So if you guys want to go, you know, play your video games or, you know, pick your nose or give yourself some self-affirmations in the mirror, go ahead and do that. Probably won't be any positions here until about like an hour or so. So that's what's going on here in the headlines. Let's go ahead and open up the charts and take a look at where we are, because I haven't really seen anything here. Yeah, forex guru. All right, man. Gotta make some new decisions. Some new decisions, and we'll turn that P&L around. Yeah, there you go. Got to trade. Just do some push-ups until you get there. So let's go ahead and take a look at the charts. Let's go over to the daily time frame here, and let's do a quick top-down analysis here on gold, and then we're gonna get started. I think Zoom is good, right? People here? Yeah, people are here. Let me just move my chat. We are good. Jay Finesse, happy birthday, man. Beautiful birthday day on a Friday. Can't beat that. Can't beat it. Yeah. All right, let's go ahead and do a top-down analysis, and let's just get the day started here. So let's go ahead and look at the weekly. So the weekly did close bullish yesterday. So we know that we're chopping around here on the weekly chart. As you can see, we've ran up pretty nicely, right? This big bullish run, and now we're just kind of consolidating here, right? We've done a few fake outs as well, and you know, price just been all over the place. And it's no surprise, right? You had a big bullish rally, and now we're just kind of chopping around here. So as you can see, like, there's been already 2 fake outs within this range here. You can see one fake out here, another one here, and now we're just kind of battling within this zone here, right? And this zone is very choppy, man. Very choppy zone here. As you can see, there's a lot of wick rejections to the left hand side. There's fake outs here, there's fake outs here. So these are your all-time highs. We don't really want to go back up there. I mean, it is what it is if we do, but if we can get a push down here, right, that'd be great. We can kind of travel back within these ranges here, and, you know, just keep things flowing here on gold, right? We don't really want to be up in these all-time highs, because it gets a little tough to trade up there with no data to the left, right? So, but that's besides the point, right? Right now we are pushing up here on gold. We did close last week as a bullish candle here, right? So you did create a new support, and now you're coming up to fill that wick. So, you know, we've potentially tapped into that wick. Today is NFP day though, so I can, you know, totally see 2420 here, right, at some point as well here today, if NFP really wants to drive price up. Once we break this wick, you should start flying. I would say somewhere in these ranges here, up towards like that resistance there. So we'll see what happens there on the weekly time frame, but very strong bullish candle currently, right? So we'll see what happens as we get into this wick area here, but all in all, right now, weekly candle is extremely strong bullish, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at the daily time frame. Is struggling here, right? So we've never closed above that resistance to the left hand side just yet. So we're still waiting on that closure. We had a very strong, like, bullish candle pop out of the range, and now, you know, when was that? Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesday's candle was extremely chalked, right? Let's go back. Let's reverse a little bit as we look at this daily time frame. You see here that you've basically got supports and you've got resistances, right? So this candle here closed outside of the range, giving us a breakout. Now, what this breakout candle also did was it tapped target to the left-hand side, right? So we can say that we've tapped into a resistance to the left, and that the next candle that followed was extremely weak. It really didn't do anything. It was like a dud, right? But we have now broken the highs there. So we're gonna see what happens, because if we re-break this high right here, you should go for a ride today, right? We should start beelining up towards that wick fill and see if we could attempt to break those highs. That's also going to be the push up on the weekly candle, right? If the weekly really wanted to go up today, you may see the daily candle here push. So, but we'll see what happens, right? We did break the highs here. We didn't do much after that break of the high outside of just started to reject. So we'll see what happens in these highs, but we do know that price has in a way tapped target here on this, I think that was Tuesday's candle, and then Wednesday was a dud. Oh, I'm sorry, was that? Yeah, my bad. That was yesterday's candle. Yeah. So that was yesterday's candle, bank holiday candle. So we'll see where we're at, right? I think if you break any of these lows here, price should drive down pretty good here today. And again, if you do break highs, that's where you should see a big push here for NFP. So very bullish on the daily. Let's go ahead and take a look at the week, at the 4 hour. But I want you guys to take note. Although I am bullish on the daily, I also am looking at this area and saying, hey, maybe this candle has done the job and we don't need to re-push up in this area anymore. Maybe if we break the lows, we can start pushing down due to the fact that, there is a resistance to the left-hand side right there. Okay, let me lower the music a little bit since you guys can't hear. That should be a lot better. Let's go ahead let's go ahead and look at the 4 hour here. So 4 hour broke the lows, right? So let's take a look. We've got a resistance right here in which we did close above. You have clean range to the left hand side here on this 4 hour chart. Now this candle came down, it broke the lows here, and now it's beginning to push back up. So could this be a potential pack runner? Could it be a potential break of the lows to close bearish for the next candle to drive, right? Could be either. What can we say about this candle though right now? We can say that you had a closure above, you were making a bottom wick, you slightly broke those lows. There's a lot of target ahead of us here. So this 4 hour candle, if we want to move bullish today, is nowhere near done, right? Making its way up. But one sign here is that we did break the low, right? So we did break the low. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like on the lower time frame here. So taking a look at the 1 hour now, you have resistance here, you have support formed right here, and this is basically your range. So this is our range currently pre-NFP that price is beginning to just consolidate in. We haven't really been able to break through the highs much, right? We kind of came up, and then started fading back down, creating this basically this range here now. So we're stuck in the range. We'll see. We'll probably be stuck in this range till NFP. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 30-minute time frame as well. Yeah, 30-minute also has resistance here. You've got support, and let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like. Perfect. So we've got price surrounded, right? We have our range. We see that the break, if we're looking for a closure above here, we can see that that would be us flipping bullish on the 4 hour, and that would be very, very good news for that run up, right? So I'm definitely open to taking my buys here above 23.66 today, and then the closure below 62 here is also re-breaking the 4 hour low, right? And then you've got clean traffic running all the way down towards like 54 here, and again, if NFP wants to push, it's going to push today, right? And we've got clean range. So as long as we've got clean range here, we're good to go. We've got clean range to the top side. We've got clean range to the downside here. And I think we're in perfect position here to just be patient, be disciplined, and wait for our playbook setup to show up. So that is what I will be doing. I'm going to be looking for buys above 66 here today. So clean buys above 66. Going to be looking for sells probably below 62. Yeah, probably below 62. It's much cleaner on the 1 hour chart. Worst case, if NFP does push through here, which it very well could, right? If it pushes through here, then it's okay. We wait for closures below whatever this is, 54, right? And then you got nice clean range coming down. So, yeah, that's what I'll be doing. I'm going to look for, if it looks good off the hourly, then we may be able to take them below 62. If not, we'll wait for NFP to actually push through all this for us, all right, and act as dynamite, because there's a lot of consolidation right here. So if NFP can push price through there, we get somewhat of a resistance. Boom, we'll take our sells coming down in that clean range. So that's basically my plans here for today as of 7:21 a.m. Eastern. Yeah, that's it. We got buys above, buys breaking 4-hour highs, right? Sells breaking 4-hour lows here. Clean traffic on the 4-hour, clean traffic on the 4-hour. Everything looks good. Should be a good day. It's going to be the best day of our life, man. Best day of our lives. Not even going to look at the 15 right now. Just going to stick with this. So that's the day, man. That's the day. Pretty simple. Let's clone them. Let's set out our targets. Targets are going to be, so targets are originally here are going to be, what is this, 56. So coming down towards 56. We may miss that move. You know, if you're not trading the actual news release, you may miss this move, and that's all good. That's all good. Some of you guys are trading NFP today. Maybe I'll join you guys and throw a little some in there. But yeah, that's it. That's it. What up, Stephen B? Morning, brother. Good morning. Should I wait for a sell or should I buy? Bro, I don't know nothing. This is my first day ever trading. Good morning, Buzz Blab. That's good. Yeah, Z Gamer. Good morning, Bobby. How are you, man? How are you? Oh, I didn't take a trade earlier. That was the other day. Let me get rid of that. Today's trade. Yeah, let's get rid of that. Sweet. What's good, Ayush? Doing great, man. How about you? How are you, bro? Welcome to the Little Sum Sum Club. Welcome. What broker do I use? I use Trade08. Trade08. Music still loud? That's the lowest it goes, brother. Straight out of Sweden. It just doesn't roll off the tongue like Compton. Straight out of Compton. Straight out of Sweden. Hey, W. Ronnie. Please explain. Good morning, buddy. Hey, good morning, man. Well, please explain what strategy you used yesterday. I only use one strategy. It's same thing. Same exact thing. I have 4. If you guys want to really see my strategy in a nutshell, just go to my YouTube channel and look up the Playbook 2.0 and you can see that's my strategy, right? That's my system. So I would recommend going there. Yeah, this one right here. Yeah, just hit I think you can hit it in the chat, exclamation point playbook or something like that. Amazingly fantastic. I like that. Those are words. I like those words, man. What up, Rob Trades? Good morning, brother. Strategy. Playbook 2, there it is. Yeah. So if you guys really want to see my strategy in a nutshell in 40 minutes, go check that one out. Please be prepared. Have your notebooks, pen handy. There's going to be a lot of notes to jot down. How do I enter the top 1 competition? I think we're going to have to push it a week back because they're having some issues with the checkout page. So for some reason the checkout page keeps glitching and they couldn't do it yesterday because everybody was off for the big holiday, and maybe they'll get it done today. But either way, we're going to start the yeah, we'll start it a week later so everybody has time. That morning coffee. Man says snipers out. Snipe. Snipe. Oh, let me share my music here on Zoom as well. I don't want to leave the Zoomers. Y'all good, Zoom? What up, everybody? Why no range 2 sells? Great question. So the daily is here, and daily is already tapped target, right? We could still definitely pump up here, but there's also a shot that this daily candle can reject pretty hard today, right? So I believe if we do end up like breaking lows, and especially on the daily, we'll start driving down pretty heavy. So we're trying to catch that from up here. Plus that's the break of the 4-hour lows there as well. Plus you got NFP, so very, very low probability you'll actually get a range 2 for NFP. You know, if anything, you may see something like this, right, go down, and then you know, maybe like small light pullback, like I'm talking maybe like celery play, and then it should continue the run. So you're most likely not getting any range 2s today, and that's fine. If the daily had not tapped target yet, and the 4-hour had not already broke the lows, then I would wait for range 2. But being where we are on the daily, and this is just more so now leaving that cookie cut type of thing where it's like a hard rule, and making it so like you're more so flowing with the markets, right? Like flowing with the direction based off of what we're currently doing, where we're at, what we've done, you know, in the last couple hours or the last day, and just knowing where we are on the charts is helping me get a bit of a more of a tight-knit up close look at the bias, right, and seeing it for what it really is. And yeah, I think that's been helping. So just getting a feel for where we currently are in the market and what's going on. I don't think we really need range 2 sells here today, so that's why I'm going to call those sells off. And again, with NFP, you're probably just going to pop down anyway. What up, Dropout Trader? Tick tock, tick tock. Good morning, Joseph. White Shark, my man, what's good? White Shark, W, man, great session. Great session. I gotta be honest. The elites are crushing life right now at the highest levels. Straight up. Yeah, so proud of all you guys, man. Like trading on another level. Let's check. Let's do a little charts for stream action here today. I'm surprised no one said check charts for stream. Check charts for stream. Yeah, we got time, right? So 8:30 is the big news here. We got time. It's about 7:30 yet, or right now, so we got plenty of time here. We should probably range a bit. I'm surprised we even broke out of this range, but we're up here now in a new range. I thought we would probably stay within here all day, but we didn't. My where was that at? Let me see. Yeah, this was my trade yesterday here. So the fact that there was yesterday, I was at the desk for just a few minutes. Wasn't really here too long, but there was a range, right? So we were ranging within this area, and I seen that this candle broke out, right? So this candle broke out. We came up, we tapped into this target or whatever, this target level here, right? So with experience, I know that on a bank holiday, right, and the day before NFP, very low chance, right, that this 1 hour candle is going to keep driving up. It's most likely going to close back in the range, right? So that's exactly what happened. So I took my sells from up here or something, and you know, closed at like 20 pips, and the candle did close back in the range, and it actually did drive down pretty far after that. But yeah, that was my idea. Was the fact that, you know, that 1 hour candle should close back in the range. I forget, where was that again? Yeah, I'm not too sure where that is down to 15. But does that make sense? You know, ranging. I think that had a little bit more to do with experience than anything. Just knowing like the candles are not gonna run today, right? So most likely gonna snap right back into that range. So that was the sell yesterday. I don't think I screenshot. Did I screenshot? Nah, I didn't. The only picture I have of it was, I think, in the Discord. Let me see if I can find it. It was just a 15-minute fade. Yeah, we'll look at charts for stream too. Yeah, I'm cooking some stuff up too on entries. Just get ready. Yeah, this was it right here. So it was simple, man. You know, that high came up. I figured the 1 hour candle will probably close back in the range. This was what it looked like on the 15. It was pretty simple, right? This candle, I was actually going to take sells right here too, but I was a little distracted at that time, but same idea, right? The candle closed back above the range and expecting price to close back in the range. We actually ended up pushing up here, but then this was like that last shot, right? And then this middle candle closing very weak. And then the next candle, you know, failing to break the highs. That's what I really like about these positions is once I dial them in, I'm gonna be able to you're gonna basically be able to have stops above the highs, right? Like once I dial this in, because right now I'm still, and I don't think I'll ever be able to know exactly when, right? But I was expecting this to happen here as well, but it didn't, right? So that's where I'm working now, is just different clues. And for those of you guys that are gonna be on the webinar, you guys are gonna, I don't think I've ever done an actual sample sized review, like a data review in front of anyone. So it's going to be fun. We're going to bring Scott up for that too. And Scott's going to kind of pull up data, and Scott's a good numbers guy and a good detail guy. And me and him are going to talk through it. And you guys are going to have the opportunity to see us review all the data in which you've seen us trade over the past 3 months. So I think we're creeping on like almost 50 I think almost 50 trades. So we're going to have a lot of data to go over, but yeah, I'm working on some entries here, and then we could also be able to have super tight stops on some of these positions. And you know, as you can see, this is already a 1-to-1, right? You're creeping on like 2-to-1, 3-to-1s when you're looking at these plays when they're done correctly. So the only way to do them correctly is to continue studying the data, and that's what we're gonna do. So that was the trade that I took. Let's go ahead and take a look at charts for stream here as well. Let's see, yesterday, yeah, let's take a look. So these are gold buys taken during the Asian session. Okay, gold buys taken to an Asian session. Let me see, price was bullish. It was an Asian session, low volume. I waited for a range to buy. New 4 hours, pretty good bottom wick. Okay, 30-minute also closed above. Okay, cool, and came up, broke previous 30-minute highs. Yep, good trade. Let it run till pre-London. Nice. Nice, nice. I think did London take off further? I think we went a little higher, right? Yeah. Let's take a look at this. Energy. Bring in the energy. Let's go ahead and take a look. Energy. These are gold sells during the London Open. So let's see what happens here. So, okay, the fade, 2:28 a.m., 4 hour and daily bullish. 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 tap resistance. All right. This candle had little to no bottom wick. Okay. Skeptical about the fade. Higher time frame was so bullish. Yep, went half. Yeah, a lot of times the higher time frame is still going to be very bullish, right? When you're attempting these fade positions, because you're literally attempting that fade when the 4 hour at times is the most bullish or whatever bearish it's going to be that day. So that's where the timing comes in, right? And like the precision. So, we'll dial that in together. Like, just give it time. All we need is more chart time. I think we're doing a hell of a job. I mean, I think we've taken like 38, 39 fades, and we've won like 35 of them, right? So I think we're doing a hell of a job, and we're just going to continue to, keep getting better and doing better. So, okay, so that candle had no wick. Trading candle entered at the break of this candle's low. Oh, this candle's low. Oh. Closed partials. Okay, trading candle resisted supports. I went BE. Next candle went bullish. Hit break even. Okay, cool. Yeah, good idea, man. Damn. Yeah. Yeah, in this case, you could probably secure partials right down here on the lows there, because when a candle has no bottom wick like that, a lot of times it'll give it a bottom wick and then push up. So if that's a decent distance, right, from basically your entry here to this area here, then I would go either BE or, yeah, close partials. Yeah, good job. W. Good trade, energy. What else we got here? London. Okay, so these are gold buys at London Open. All right, let's see. 1 hour onion, 4 hour onion, 4 hour bullish, daily bullish. Let's see. Confirmation candle closed above. Yes. Yes, so technically this candle did close above, but let me ask you about the status quo of this candle. What do you think, energy? Strong, weak, neutral? What do you think? We're doing a hell of a job, yeah. I'm fit for this job. Yeah, weak, a little bit of a weak candle, right? So I don't think I'd put my faith in that candle to take a buy, right? Off of me looking at that, thinking, is that a strong enough support? Probably not, right? So that's the only thing I think that got in your way there. If that candle closed a little stronger, right? Technically it did close bullish above, but if it closed a little stronger, that would have been much better, right? And then you could have maybe trusted that support a little bit more. So I think that's it. That's the only thing. Keep in mind about the size of the confirmation candles, right? Make sure that they're good. Make sure that they're strong. They're setting you up, right? So you want to make sure that one. It's like chess, right? Like one move sets up the next move. So this move is setting you up for the next move. So you want to make sure that's a nice, strong confirmation setup that you can put your money on. But other than that, great idea, good trade, and yeah. Close the okay, cool. B. Oh, okay, cool. So you went BE too. Perfect. Break even got tapped. Let's see here. What we got? Gold buys pre-New York. Okay, cool. Pre-New York gold buys. 4 hour and daily bullish. 15 below 30 support. 15 minute, then close bullish above support. Enter on the break of the new 15 high. Close at 15 pips. W. Yeah, nice trade. Was this today? This was, yeah, this was today. Nice job. Nice fake out too. Fake out / onion in this wick rejection at support. See how this candle's a little stronger than this one? Right? See that support there? And then this one here, much stronger, right? So that's what I mean about looking for healthier candles to take your positions off of. Yeah, that was nice. Target tapped. Lovely. Good trade. Who's that? Tanzil? Good trade. Let's see. What are we doing here? All right, cool. Let's go back. All right, let's go back here. So gold sells. Let's take a look at these gold sells. I'm not sure when this was. All right, so both daily and 4 hour bullish. Waited for the second range to form on the 15. The 15 closed bullish, but below. Okay. Entered on the flip of the current candle. Target tap. Oh wow! Nice. Look at this. This thing drove. Okay, so I think this is where, and then these buys were picked up here, right? The buys here. Okay, so you took this sell. Nice. Yeah, and then the buys played out. Yeah, lovely. Good trade. Good trade. Let's see here. We got the fade. We got the fade going on. Let's see the fade. So price was overextended on the new 4 hour pre-London, opened up, started pushing up after making a bottom wick. The next 30 pushed up without a bottom wick, okay? And then there was 1 hour major resistance, 30 minute perfect. Yeah, that's what we're looking for. We're looking for those major resistances there. Keyword, a major, right? Because that's where you're going to catch these fades or pullbacks or retracements or whatever you want to call them. You're going to catch those from those bigger retracements. Yeah, volume pushed price, secure 1-to-1. Good job, bro. Good job. Yeah, major resistances. That's where you're going to catch the best pullbacks from. What's up, Adrian? Hello, sir. Have I ever traded one of those mechanical strategies? I'm not sure what those are, so I guess not. Mechanical. What is that? What's a mechanical? Yeah, if you guys aren't in our free Discord, you can join it. You can also, just like the rest of these guys, you can post your charts in there. We'll take a look at them. We'll break them down. Show us your winners. Show us your losers, right? They're just opportunities for everyone to kind of learn and see what we can take from those examples. Where's my boy Green for NFP Friday? I got notes for the webinar here, chat. Yeah, I can't let these out yet though. One of the things I want to share, so one of the things I was looking at too is like in preparation for the webinar is I really want to, everything, a lot changed in February, right? A lot changed, not only like in my trading, just in life in general. This is a lot of changes going on, right? Like February is when I was moving, and like then we had Kingston, and so whatever. There's a lot of changes there, but there was also a lot of changes in my trading. And as I mentioned to you guys, I was very fortunate enough to have a really good, multiple conversations now with an 8-figure trader, right? And I find it very interesting that we were talking about 8-figs and 8-figure trader and all that stuff, and then I had the opportunity to actually speak with one directly, right? And the advice that he gave me has completely shifted the way my trading has gone, right? Let's go over to let's just check like last year's stats on things, right? Just get a little eye on the amount of trades. So anything on the top column is going to be last year, right? So this is August, September, October, November, December, right? January, like this is February of last year, February of this year. Now, notice how the amount of trades is about to kick up here, right? So you get a little bit more here in March, still a little, same thing, but then April we start picking up with the amount of trades, and again, the result is not suffering because we're taking more trades, right? So just understand that as well. It's actually getting better, and it's the point I want to prove to you, right? So April comes around, we start hitting the gas, right? May comes around, we start really hitting the gas hard. Last year, June, we had insane month, right? I don't think I've ever taken any, since I've been a consistently responsible, profitable trader, I don't think I've ever taken this many trades in 1 month that we did last month. So one of the biggest things I've learned is that, and I think I always knew this, but maybe I just needed a second set of eyes, is that execution truly is our edge. We have a system, right, that is dialed in. We can still dial in more, right? But we have a system that works. It's proven to work for me over the last 3.5 years. I've basically had an 80% win rate for the last 3.5 years if you count up all the trades. The issue was there wasn't that many trades, right? We were very selective, we were very picky, we were getting a bit too what do they call it? Analysis paralysis, right? We're starting to develop a little bit of that. And that's natural, right? To come after or during a losing streak, you're gonna be obviously a little bit more timid, a little bit more hesitant when you're in the markets. But the one thing he said was, you got the edge, dude. Your system works, right? You just have to work it. So you need to focus on execution. And one of the big things he told me was, you need to focus more on that 4-hour candle, on that 4-hour chart. And he gave me a couple tips, and then that obviously just turned on the scientific nerd trading dork that I am. And I just started studying, right? I just took a little crumb that he gave me and just started diving in. And I really want to share with you everything I've learned about the 4-hour, everything I've learned on higher time frame, lower time frame, correlation recently, that's made like the biggest difference in my view on the charts, my flow within the charts, and the opportunity here that we've been taking much more trades because of, you know, seeing things a little bit more clear, from like a fluid, like a fluid state, if that makes sense, versus just a very cookie cutter, hey, we have to do this and we have to do that. Instead, now it's a little bit more flow, right? And I think that has a lot to do with tightening up the bias on this 4-hour candle and really getting good reads and understanding where to use the 15 and when to use it. And yeah, so the webinar is going to be a lot about my conversation with him and what I've learned and what I've applied from that conversation. That's going to be a major part of this webinar coming up at the end of the month. So yeah, that's going to be insane. It's going to be very, very technical. Execute, yeah. I mean, AB Mike, we get paid to execute. Like, so the only way you get paid is to execute. That's it. So why hesitate? You know, when the opportunity comes. And that's another thing he said. He was like, dude, who cares? Who cares about a losing streak? He's like, he probably has 20 years on me, right, in the game. So he's like, if you knew how many losing streaks you were probably going to run into in the future, you would not care about this one. I was like, interesting. He's like, and by the way, you can still be a multi-millionaire by going through those losing streaks. So stop being I won't say the word he said to me, and start executing, right? So that's what I did. Yes, sir. Yeah, so I'm excited to share a lot of that with you guys. I think you guys are going to take a lot away from it and get a much clear roadmap here when it comes to showing up to the desk every day. Sissy, yeah, Sissy. We'll go with that one. Yeah. What's the idea behind news? Crazy moves? That's just the market absorbing all the major news events that come in. So typically that could be very unpredictable. It could be very, you know, they call them like whipsaws. So I tend to stay out during the open of the news and I'll just wait for direction. The last time I traded news was, I traded NFP a while back. Wow, I have this check here I didn't even realize. It's from April 13th. Damn, still gotta cash that up. It's getting dry. Hey, what's up, Susanna? What's good? Susanna. Yeah, as you see, gold is just ranging here, so it should just range. We may start pushing a little outside of the range come like 815, 820, but that's normal, that's natural. So for those of you guys that are trading NFP today, best of luck to you guys. Should be a good one here, and maybe I'll participate with like a small position today. Get seats for the boot camp. Yeah, you can get. You can go to the website. So go to the website. You'll see it under webinar, and you can get tickets there. YOLO Trader's in the house. What up, YOLO Trader? Oh yeah, there you go. There's the link. Yeah, there it is. So the webinar link is right there. Yep. Will the webinar benefit me as a beginner, or is it too advanced? It will benefit you as a beginner because I'm going to take the first day, like the first half of the first day, maybe not even the first half, but a segment of the first day to really just run through some of the basics. I'm going to do it fairly quickly because I do want to spend a lot of time on things that have really taken place over the last couple months. But yeah, I think it's gonna be good if you're a beginner or a new trader. Regardless, it's gonna help you tighten up. No, the tournament link is not available yet. There's some they were having some glitch thing going on the checkout page. So they tried to fix it yesterday, but I think everyone was out having barbecues and stuff and not working on 4th of July there yesterday, so it should be taken care of today. Yeah, either way, we're gonna push it back a week, so that way everyone gets an opportunity. I don't want to rush it, right? So everyone gets an opportunity to get in and get their free accounts and all that good stuff. Yeah, for those of you guys that don't know, Time to Eat Trading is going to be doing a TTE trading tournament. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to have an open tryout. This whole tournament is going to be sponsored by Top One. Top One's going to be giving us all the accounts. So everyone's going to get, once we have the link up, everyone's going to be able to sign up. You're going to be able to get a free 100K account, and that's going to enter you into an open tryout, right? So, and by the way, anyone who does sign up for that free account, you'll also be able to receive 50% off of any challenge on Top One that you want, like if you want to do that afterwards. But let's say, so now you're signed up, you got your free account, you enter into a open tryout. So I don't know how many people will be in this open tryout, right? But the top 32 are going to be the ones that advance and play in the actual tournament. So if you guys, want to participate, keep an eye out here, and on Instagram, I'll give you guys like updated information on that, but it's going to be absolutely incredible. Yeah, it's all the accounts are going to be 100K accounts. There's going to be no profit target, but there will be a max daily, and there will be a like a 10% daily draw or 10% overall drawdown as well. So make sure you guys don't breach those accounts, because if you do, then you're gonna obviously be disqualified, and your opponent is gonna get an easy win to be able to walk into the week after. So the way that's gonna work is that once the 32 contenders are picked, which are again gonna be the top 32 of everyone that competes in the tryout, once we have those 32 in place, then it's going to go week by week. So every week we're going to cut it in half, right? So we're going to chip week by week. So you'll be partnered up with an opponent. You will not know your opponent's status. You won't know if they're up 5%, down 5%, nothing, right? You just got to trade your own game here. And then the winner, by whoever's up in highest in terms of percentage by the end of Friday, market close, that person wins, and they advance into the next round. And that's how it goes week by week by week. It's going to take, I think, 5 weeks to get everything done and have a winner. And that winner, we're going to pick the top 4 winners. So if you're in the final 4, you're going to obviously get a reward. Top dog's going to get 200K. Second place is going to get 100K. And then the third and fourth are both going to get 25K accounts. Yeah, it's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. So I'll explain that again, I'm sure, but keep an eye out for that link. It's going to be awesome. Yeah, once the link gets done, the link is done actually, but like I said, they had an issue with the, let's see if I got any messages. The link is all set. They're just having some issues with the checkout page was glitching yesterday, and it was like July 4th, so everyone was on holiday, so no one was there to be able to fix it. So maybe they'll get it all fixed up today, and then we'll get everybody in early next week. So those are the 2 links to look out for: the webinar link, and then that top one, you know, whatever it is, competition link. Yeah, man, we just want to see you guys trade your game, right? So we just want to see you guys trade your game and let the, what do they say? Let the odds be ever in your favor, man. Yeah, it's going to be cool. I think that one of the coolest parts is you don't know what your opponent has, right? Because if you know, let's say me and you are up against each other, and you know I got, you know, 10% and you got 1%, you're most likely going to not play your game at that point. You're going to over risk, you're going to over trade, because you're going to try and play catch up, right? So we don't want to share what your opponent has, because we just strictly want you to play your own game and see where that gets you. The cool part about it too is we're gonna have a leaderboard. So we'll have a leaderboard, and I mean, we could legit pair everyone up by top seeds, lower seeds, like all that. But we'll see. We might just pair everyone up randomly by doing it old school, writing your names on some paper and just chucking you guys in a hat and teaming you up that way. Ready to test my skills? Let's go, Big Smoke. Let's go, Big Smoke. Big Smoke. Where is Green? I don't know. Green's always here. Always. There he is. Making his presence loud and clear here today. Making a statement there, Greenery. Dubs in the chat. How does Green have a command on every single live stream? My man got a command on every one of them. Exclamation point Green. Holy! Or whatever it is. Green. Sometimes I still get confused how everyone just loves Green. I mean, he's a great guy. He really is. But he has this thing about him where just everyone loves him. Including me. He is that guy. You're not that guy, he is that guy. My man be at the floor high-fiving the Knicks players. It's either that or they're just scared of you, Green. Like, yo, I'm messing with that guy. Y'all seen Green's profile pic? Holy! I wouldn't want to mess with that dude. Green's blushing. He's that guy. He's that guy. Never ever met him, but I just like his persona. That's what I mean, man. Yo, they did. They thought he was tank security over there, man. Hey, anytime if you guys, anytime another color comes in the chat, they're gone. They're gone. I don't see them anymore. It's not even like they were quaking. They didn't even do anything. Like, just innocently coming in here trying to learn how to trade, and it's just like yellow just gone. Blue gone. Red gone. Purple. So don't come in here with a color as your username, man. We may never see you again. For no reason at all, bro. Just gully. Just gangster. Good morning, Lights Fire. How you doing, brother? Yo, for real. Hey, Z Gamer, yo. Somebody liked. By the way, I get notifications a lot. You know, I don't check them as much as I probably should, but I be getting notifications on YouTube here, and oh, I can't check them right now. Damn. Let's get rid of these. And someone commented on an older stream. I forget who it was. It was one of you guys. Commented on an older stream, and I see Z Gamer in there. Before he was a mod and all that, man. Yeah, before he was a mod. Let's see, where is it? This, which one was it? This one right here. Man, Z Gamer. Z Gamer is an OG. This was, when was this, Z Gamer? This was, oh my God, the road to 1K subs. I didn't even realize that. Look at this. I didn't even have a chat, man. But when you do see the chat, you're gonna see Z Gamer in there. Look at this. Look at this. Where is he? Scott. Scott. Where's Z Gamer? He's here. Donald, man. Donald. Shout out to Donald, bro. Where you at, Donald? There's Green. Nah, we gotta see Z Gamer. Some of you guys never seen Z Gamer without a wrench. Z Gamer. Sam Capital without a wrench. Damn. Yeah, Sam was brand new at that point too. There he is. Z Gamer without the wrench. Holy man. Shout out to Z Gamer. Road to 1K subs. Now we're on the road to 100K subs. Crazy, man. Crazy. Yeah, Forex Frank, I know you were over here too. Shout out to Forex Frank, and now he's the new Futures Frank, you know what I mean? But yeah, damn. Yeah, that was crazy. Road to 1K subs. Yeah, who was it? The Prather Trader. Yeah, shout out to you, man, throwing it back for me. Got me reminiscing. Yeah, check this out too. This was during the breakdown. Look how many people were there. 29. 29 people. And I was doing the same breakdowns I do here today. Oh, Wags, you changed your name? What was your name? There's Donald. All right, here we go. Like I said, you should start to see some volume come 805, 815, 820 here, and then NFP is gonna drop, or not drop. Don't hit sell. Like NFP is gonna be released. Wags, what was your name, bro? 29 Gangsters, yeah. You remember the 2 doors and the kid's bike in the back? Yeah, that was Mavericks, the car, right? Is that what you're talking about? Yeah, remember the car back there? Yeah, this is my old spot too. I don't live here anymore. Crazy. No overlays. Nuts. Pretty nuts. Yo, Tandy. Yeah, Tandy was in the car. Remember that? Tandy be in the car. John was in school. Look at this. Let me show you guys. Look at this. Oh yeah, we were looking for this the other day. Look at John. John's in a classroom. John's in the Uncle Scalp. Damn. Jay Snipe. Yo, Tandy, man. I gotta hit Tandy up. Hold on, we gotta get a. You guys gotta see my boy Tandy. Oh, I think he was back home already. Yeah, I think he used to drive in the early morning, right? I forgot. Yeah, there. Man, he used to drive and trade. Look at the same stuff here, right? So sell, buys above, sells below, all that. You were ace. Oh, okay. I don't. He used to say good morning, but didn't talk too much. Yeah, I'm trying to remember. I feel like I remember Ace because that was a nickname. But yeah, damn man, crazy. Gold was just bleeding that day. Holy, good times. Let the good times roll. There he is, the Prather trader. I think that's how you say it. Shout out to you, man, because if it wasn't for you, we wouldn't even be looking at that. Big respect to those who stuck around. Yeah, facts. Facts, man, facts.
Welcome home, Columbia. Beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah, Rapid Max, you've been around for a long time too. I know that for sure. But shout out to Z Gamer. He's mad humble too. He won't even say anything, but Z Gamer's a top G. Top sniper. How many of you guys have gone back to some of those old videos? Anybody? There's those videos that I did early on, like this one right here. This was before we started the live stream. In the intro, I'm like, we're gonna start the live streams. This one I was just doing like simple trade breakdowns, and I had John there chilling. But yeah, I was just doing little breakdowns. Oh my god, this actually got 3,000 views on it. That's crazy. Yeah, I think I was reviewing a gold trade from that day. Dope. Dope. Ideas on NFP? You know, not really. Just gonna wait. Just gonna hang tight until we get some ideas on where price wants to go. Looks like we're trying to push up here though, right? So we kind of came out of this range, we've moved up into this range, and we've been struggling to move down. So you know, we'll see how numbers come out, and I'm not going to trade the release itself, but once I see where price is headed and what candlesticks are saying, then that's when I'll have some better ideas. I did watch the first ever stream. Yo, the first ever stream was chalked. Oh man, the guys in Zoom were talking, and you couldn't even hear them talking on the live stream, but you heard me talking back to them. It was so bad. The first stream was so bad. I didn't even know what OBS was. Yeah, it was crazy. After 15, 20 years, yeah. Hey, you know what's the coolest part about it is, you know, all my trading's now being documented, right? So, for the last 2 years, I've got everything documented. Yeah, it's cool. It was authentic. Yeah, you know what it was? I didn't want to come on there with all the big bells and whistles either, right? Like, I just wanted to start. You know, I think so many people think you need to have everything in line, everything perfect, everything dialed in. And that was just the opportunity to share, like, you don't need things dialed in. You know, you don't need, like, a lot of y'all won't even go, like, working out until you get, like, new workout clothes. Like, yo, just go work out in your sweatpants. Right? You don't need things to be so lined up to the T. to start. You know, I feel like that's what holds most people back, is they're like, you know, I'll start when this happens, or I'll start when that happens. But you just got to start, man. You know, the time is always now. Have I read the books behind me? I've read about, I would say 85 to 90% of all those books. Yeah, I have a lot of books that you guys can't see because the camera's not over there, but I have a lot more books. So there's more books over there too. I'm a big reader. I spent pretty much the entire decade of my 20s filling my mind with as much positivity and influence as I possibly could, because I was extremely negative. I wasn't very negative, but I was very like, just, you know, in the matrix, right? I was in the matrix. I grew up in the, you know, school system, and I had to rewire my brain. I had to get brainwashed, man. I had to wash the brain. So I spent my entire 20s creating a new me, pretty much. What up, C Melly? C Melly's in the house. I'm not gonna go to the gym until I've got abs. What's up, Yogi? I'm doing fantastic, man. Yeah, I had limiting beliefs, you know what I mean? I had limiting beliefs, and maybe some of you guys have those limiting beliefs. I came from an average family, a mediocre family who wasn't successful at all. Actually, kind of probably didn't even believe that they could be successful, right? My parents are both both good, great people, just very average, right? Very mediocre in terms of the vision. There really was no vision. So it wasn't until I got around my rich dad, started getting mentored, really just watching his example, and then working my way up and earning a shot to be mentored by him, and that's when everything changed for me. And some of you guys read Rich Dad Poor Dad. I went through the entire Rich Dad Poor Dad experience myself. I've been very blessed to be able to go through that, not at a young age like he was in the book, but you know, I've pretty much found my rich dad around 21, 22 years old, and nothing's been the same ever since. Are the books mainly about trading? No, none of them are about trading. Yeah, I think there's two trading books there. Every other one is about personal growth and development, leadership, people skills, things like that. Mindset, mentality, spirituality. Yeah, I've only read really one trading book, and that was the Forex Mindset by Jared F. Martinez. I did read Trading in the Zone as well from Mark Douglas, but I feel like the Forex Mindset was the book for me. Books go hard, man. You know, I never wanted to read books. I never read books in high school or any of that stuff because I wasn't interested in all that BS that they were talking about, right? I just didn't have any interest in what they were saying. So they labeled me as someone who doesn't know how to learn, or someone who doesn't know how to pay attention. But that really wasn't the case at all, right? I want to pay attention to things that pay, right? Not about, you know, what's the thing? Hansel, Gretel, the mice of men. Man, I don't care about that. I don't care about the organisms that grow on a leaf. You know, I want to know how to win, right? That's what I want to do. I want to know how to win and live a joyful life. So once I realized that there was books out there that catered towards that, I got interested in reading books. And yeah, books go hard. Oh yeah, I did read that one too. I didn't read it, I listened to it. The Best Loser Wins. Yeah. Been trading for 2 months. I'm kind of struggling, but slowly understanding the charts. That sounds completely normal to me. Sounds completely normal, brother. Been trading for about 2 months and kind of struggling. If you said, "Hey, I've been trading for about 2 months, man, and I'm just rolling in the dough," that would concern me. So the fact that you're just started and you're kind of struggling, That's normal, bro. Yeah, show up here every day, and I'm very confident you'll start to get a good read on the markets. All right, 8:15 has closed. 8:30, all that is still open. We're gonna wait on 8:30 here and enjoy the fireworks show together. I mean, yesterday was 4th of July, so it's only right that we enjoy a fireworks show here together. Green, what'd you guys do? Did you guys pop off some fireworks last night? Books go very hard. Yeah, man. Man said mice and men. Hey, Nick, would you like to read a chapter? Leave me alone. That's unacceptable. Go to the principal's office. Oh my gosh, really? I'm out of here. Be careful today? Yeah, I'm careful every day. I know there's fire in these markets, man. You guys better be careful every day. Yeah, big NFP coming. Any other books besides the Forex Mindset? I thought The Best Loser was good. I thought obviously Trading in the Zone was good. But those are the only ones that I've read when it comes to trading. The best book you could read on trading is right here. Right between that box. Good morning, Pablo. Hey, yo, TK's in the house. Good morning, TK. Welcome in. Yeah, we'll see how non-farm payroll rolls out here. What's up, Zoomers? How y'all feeling? Good? Oh, you're in Sarasota. Okay, we getting steaks or what? How long are you there for? We gotta get a steak. We gotta get a steak. What am I doing? What am I doing over the next couple days? That should be good. We got Maverick's birthday on Sunday. So I got Maverick's birthday on Sunday. He's gonna be 2. It's insane. I thought he was like 4. But he's only gonna be 2. And yeah, so we got that on Sunday, and then I don't think, other than that, I'm pretty good. Oh, in Denver. Oh yeah, that's right, C Melly, in Denver, right? How was your flight, man? Glad you got there good and quick and until Monday. All right, all right. Let's see. Maybe I can swing it. Maybe we could swing it. I know you guys are barbecuing. Got a tea time in about 3 hours. Nobody knows nothing. Hey, Denver golf. See, Melly? All right. Oh yeah, Del Rey. That's right, in August. That's right. I might have to take a day or maybe even 2 days off in August. Probably gonna take my wife on a little trip. I'll try and do it like we'll leave on Friday, maybe Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and then come back Tuesday. Maybe something like that. That won't be till late August. Late August. I'm at Apollo Beach. Oh, nice. Yeah, I'm actually looking at some places in Naples to move maybe next year. Yeah, Naples is a vibe. What's up, Nate? Nate G in the house. What's good, Nate? Yeah, for those of you guys that just came in, I'm pretty much waiting on NFP here. NFP is gonna be dropping here. You had your 820 push there, but we got NFP in 9 minutes. 9 minutes. Oh, see, Melly almost missed the flight. That sounds about right. Do you guys actually get on your flights like on time and all that? I remember that. Well, I think it was the last flight I went on. Maybe not the last flight, but yeah, maybe it was the last flight. They were all waiting for me, man. I felt so bad. I got to the where you like get onto the plane. They're like, Nick Stewart. I'm like, yeah. Like, all right, man, we've been waiting for you. I'm like, all right, I'm here. Let's go. Let's roll. What's up, Sam the man? I'm short stop loss 71. Stop loss 71. Okay. And you're short. All right. Best of luck to you. Yeah, Naples is nice. Oh, Pedro's in Naples? Okay. A lot of traders in Naples. What happens with elite members' money? What's that mean? What's that mean, Futures Frank? Is August a bad time to trade? August is the summertime, so I think 2021 and 22 were pretty good for the summer, but last year in 2023 it kind of slowed down a bit. But yeah, we'll see what happens this year. Wiz Buddha shouting, see Melly out. Where's John Stew? There is news in 6 minutes. Yeah, we got major news coming in here in about 6 minutes. Coming. Yeah, it's coming up. 5 minutes and 23 seconds. The countdown has begun. Expecting snow. Oh. Snow, huh? No snow in Tampa or Naples. 1 pip mark in the house. Ready for blast off, Green. Let's go. All right, what do you guys got? Buys or sells here? What should I do? Maybe let me put a poll up. Whoever the higher poll is, I'll go against you guys, because most traders lose. So let me engage with my audience. NFP, buy or sell? I don't know if I want to bet against TTE traders though. Most traders do lose. So whatever the higher number comes out, I technically should take a trade in the opposite way. But I don't know. That's a little different for TTE traders. You guys are a different breed. Oh, is Raja on? I was actually watching some market fluidity here yesterday. Let me go to YouTube real quick. Hold on. Oh yeah, NFP Casino. Let's freaking go.
Getting pretty excited over here. Getting excited to see.
He's getting excited, he said.
Getting very, very, very excited
Oh.
to see what's going to come up over here.
Should I would jump in on his Zoom, but
absolutely insane. Whatever happens today. Jummah Mubarak, Khair Mubarak, thank you, appreciate it. I appreciate it. But man, NFP is one of those news events where you have to be, where you shouldn't risk more than you can afford to lose. It's very tough. You know, you shouldn't risk more than what you can afford to lose with NFP. You can lose a lot, you can win a lot too, but honestly, losing has a much higher emotion connected towards winning, you know, because when we do, okay, we got 3 minutes left.
Talking Hindi?
Let's see how much the battery has charged.
Oh, his camera's charging. That's what happened. You're going to win 100%. Oh. Hey yo. Hey yo. Ready for blast off. 2 minutes. We'll put him back on in 1 minute. Oh yo, TTE. Hey yo. Hey yo, YOLO. Where's that wrench, man? They need to give you a wrench over there. He's like, I don't care.
Okay, welcome. 2 minutes left.
Welcome to the casino.
All right. 2
My hands are starting to
minutes
sweat for him.
left now. What am I gonna do now? Let's make some logical deductions of what can happen now. Okay, logical
Let's do it.
deductions. Now, before the news, we have pushed up before the news, right? We pushed up before the news. And if we have pushed up before the news and expecting bad numbers, this means price should move up if they're expecting bad numbers. What I think can happen is price can push up and then we can drop down because we've already moved up. We moved up after ADP. We've been moving up for the past 2-3 days. So maybe price is pricing it in. And okay, here we go. So I'm gonna go for a sell. Let's do this together.
Oh.
Let's do with like a 15
holy
lot sell right over here.
Oh,
15 lot
out
sell.
for him?
Just going up with
Hold on,
one
we
of
gotta watch
these
this.
right here.
Oh wow, what an entry!
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
Oh wow. Okay, buddy.
yo, buddy. Oh,
What's happening?
nice. Oh, you got
What
slipped
is
hard.
going on here?
Oh, bro, where's
I don't
his
get it.
entry?
Okay, beautiful.
Oh, okay.
It's not bad. 20.
Wait,
But
what happened?
what's going on with the numbers here?
Am I tripping? Or
There are
was
no
that negative?
orders. There are no orders. going through.
That's why I don't trade NFP. Hey, shout out to who was
What
in
was
that
this?
cell?
I don't understand.
Stops above 60.
I don't
71.
understand. That's a huge wick.
Wow, look at that.
That's a huge wick.
That's a huge.
Okay.
wick.
My orders are I don't know. I got out of this, man. I don't know.
Bro.
This was wild. Just made over 8. I don't care what you made, but this
W. Oh my god. All right, look at that. So what do we say? NFP would most likely drive through here, and now look at us pushing back up. So we have, I'm telling you, we have such clean range on the 4 hour here, but this may get taken out right here. Yeah, this may push up here. Wow, that was nuts. Hey, how many viewers? Hey, who was in that cell again? Yeah, we might clean up this whole 4 hour range right here. I'm new here. I saw your podcast with Austin. Oh, nice. Welcome, my friend. Broker canceled your order. Probably sounds about right. Took cells? Oh, nice. W. We were gone. This was my casino. Did you have a chance to exit though? That's the question. Gets spooky, man, when you're in these trades. Slippage is real. Some of you guys have just learned about slippage. Yeah. Yeah, that was nice. Yeah, if you entered before the news, then yeah, you got a good entry. John Stewart's in the house. Morning, John. How you doing?
How you doing?
What's good?
Good morning, brother.
What's the good word?
The good word is greatness, bro. I'm patiently waiting for news to finish up, and then I will be in some buys and sells.
Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Joey Stu,
It's
take
good,
that?
bro. How's your morning? Bye, man.
Excellent. Excellent morning, bro.
Yes. You take any trades today?
Nah, not yet. Not yet. I was waiting for NFP. I'm probably gonna wait for the either 30 close or 4 hour close here, or same thing. 270 pip 5-minute candle. Yo.
Yo, it's good chat.
170 and then damn.
That's crazy.
70 down, 95 up.
Uh,
Johnny got the burner on him.
What's up, chat? What's up, Z Gamer? What's up, Wags? Lights Fire. Dominic, good morning. Good to be back.
Good to be back after the day off. Now we got 2 days off in a row. Whack.
Very whack. I was so sad, bro. When I knew we had a bank holiday yesterday, I was like, damn.
Remember, I couldn't wait for those when I worked.
Yeah.
I'm like, we got Thursday off, and then it's Friday, and then we got Saturday and Sunday. Let's go. So average, man. I was being
Hey,
so
when you're
average.
tight.
I'm sorry if
you-
you ever see me excited about that. It was a poor example. Stop orders on NFP. Where the party at? Yeah, you don't even get a free day after 4th of July. You imagine that? They're like, nope. Back to work you go. Welcome to America. Welcome to America. Yeah, some companies do, yeah. I was never in those, in those companies, you know what I mean, TK? Ooh, yeah. What up, Big Wick Energy? How you doing? Sorry, Andrew. Sorry. Now, this is what we call Wixall, right? So that's why we really don't like trading news. It's good to scalp and stuff like that, but it could be very unpredictable. Yeah, man, straight back to work, yep. Pretty much. Yeah, daily tapped into this target here. 4 hour still has a little room to go, but daily definitely has tapped target. So we'll see. We'll see what happens here. Big 4 hour closure here. This 4 hours nasty. Hey, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back, Joe.
Yo, chat, who's in buys? Did anyone's positions survive that? Hey, I'm up 6.3% on that account. Let's go. Nice job, Roses and Buds. Good stuff, man. Good morning, YOLO Trader. It's good, man. Morning, Dominic. No trade. I learned my lesson. W, bro. Go. Patience muscle be flexing, yes, sir. Hey, daily reminder to chat, like every day. It's just another day to follow our plan and be patient and disciplined to it. All right, just a daily reminder for y'all. Each day we're building a habit because being great in trading is not a one-time thing, but it's a habit. So every day we keep building these habits of professional traders. What's good, Sam the man? Thank you, bro. Appreciate that compliment. What's good, Lee Seth? What's up? I stayed out. Yeah, Randy, same. I stayed out. I usually always stay out of news. Now that news that is in, I'm just now continuing to patiently wait for a setup, right, that I have backed up data on. Oh, damn. Fundings. Damn, wow, bro. Good stuff. What do you mean by tap target? So whenever price is trending and we reach a certain level of resistance, support, or wick rejections, that is the idea that price is tap target. And now you can see a pullback, right? A trend. Because there's two ways, or there's really three ways price can move, and that's consolidating, that's trending, and that's pulling back, right? So those are the three ways price can move, and we look for how that can move with clues on the higher time frame and lower time frame.
Yeah. Wow, look at this candle. Sheesh. Crazy. Where's this thing gonna go? We're gonna close back in the range or above? That's the big question here.
Big question.
Let's see. Yeah, everything is a wick saw. Outside of the 5 minute, everything else is pretty just wick saw-ish. Really not much out. I think maybe if you break the lows, but I'm not touching this here. If the 4 hour closes, that's when I'll probably look to see for more positions. Link for tournament, I just hit them up, so I'll see. Maybe they'll be able to get that link to us today. Yeah, maybe they'll get it over to us today. Either way, we're going to push it back 1 week so everyone has enough time to get involved. Yeah. Wow, this thing's pushing back up now. Back up, back up. Ooh, NASDAQ. Just as crazy as gold here.
Oh, wow. Damn. Literally the same thing.
Only gold's pushing up. NASDAQ's not really doing much now. Poll was pretty even, I know. It was. Basically, it was even. Stops are impossible. They are. Yep. So stops are impossible, right? So we need some new structure here. Like, so once the 15 starts planting like new structure, then I think we'll be straight. Yeah, new 4 hour is gonna open. So let's let this one close and let's let the 15. As long as we remain above 66 here, I think we're golden on these buys. But if we start breaking back down in the range, then we'll see what happens at that point. Five struggling a bit, so yeah, we'll see. Raja lost 6K. Ah, that's
Like, Raja.
Tournament starting next week. Yeah, the tryout. So the open tryout, we're basically gonna push the whole process back. So the open tryout starts next week. Yeah. Yeah, 6K is not that much. 6K is not that much to me, so never mind Raja, you know. Raja, that's like pennies. Coffee money, there you go, exactly. How will he survive? Oh, he made 450, someone said. Oh, is he still on? I closed the window, let's see. Oh yeah, he's still on here. What's he doing? He's frozen. Oh, I guess I caught it when he was turning it off. Either way, I really only like to focus on my money, not on other people's money, so.
100%.
Caught 100 pips, W. Loose change. 1 minute looking clean.
You said very lucky. Very lucky 10K profit.
Oh.
That's fire.
$10 Gs, huh? Raja made 450. He didn't lose. All right. Well, either way, none of that's paying our bills. So let's just focus on our own money here and our own stuff, and we'll be all right. Maybe he won. Maybe he lost. It's a mystery.
Doesn't change us.
Yeah, it's not gonna do anything for us on this lovely Friday. You ever heard your teacher say, "Keep your eyes on your own paper"?
I was always that kid.
I always pick the best people to sit next to. Smartest girls in the class. Yeah, I'll sit right there.
Of course.
Right next to Lisa with the big glasses.
You think me and Nick did homework?
Yeah, I used to.
Nah, no more futures, Frank.
I used to pay people to do my stuff. Literally.
Money's a tool.
Money is a tool, man. I learned that very early in about 4th grade.
Heard, bro.
My man John was selling, what were you selling? Like, this dude was selling like granola bars or something in school.
I was selling snacks in school.
Hey, chat, you want to hear one of my business opportunities? So, for 1 week, so there was lunchtime, 3 different periods of the day, right? So whatever period you had, then there was 2 other. I would go to these lunch periods and I would ask everyone, hey, you got like $2, $2-3? And they would be like, yeah. And so I raised up some capital, and then I bought like a bunch of like candy and stuff like that, because I noticed everyone likes to buy candy, and it was like mad expensive from the school. So I went and got the big bags, you know what I mean? The big bags, and then those were like $1.99, and you got so much candy. So that's how I like started one of my first businesses, man. Just raising some capital.
Yeah, bro. And you would get like, I remember having a couple consistent customers too, buying every single day.
Yeah, man.
So
yeah, man.
That business would grow, man, for sure. I miss doing that, honestly.
Yeah, then we started selling burned CDs. So we would make a list. We'd tell everyone, put your list on here, and we'll go download the songs on Napster or whatever we were using then, and make the CDs. LimeWire, yeah.
Yes, now we buy and sell candles and gold. It's fun.
Yeah, no, at a very early age, I think I was probably I was still in elementary school, definitely. My cousin, he had this business that he made. It was called the Green Thumb Guys. And he would go around this trailer park that I lived in when I was younger, and he would cut people's grass, you know, and he'll make money doing that. And he like hired me as the not the landscaper, the weed whacker. Bro, right then and there, I knew I never wanted to work for anyone ever in my life. Yeah, man, and especially when I seen him get like he got like the $20 bill, and my guy gave me like $250. I'm like, yeah, I definitely want to be the owner moving forward, and that's where entrepreneurship kind of struck me at like super young age. Pokemon card, yo, tell me, I had 2 binders filled with Pokemon cards, laminated, all that, holograms or holographics, whatever you call them. I had everything, and I have no idea where they went. Yeah, now we're buying and selling candles. Frost wire. Yeah, yo, no, it was a lot of work. It was. That's true. It took like an hour to download a lot of those songs.
No matter what you're doing, you're always doing some sort of work.
Yeah, John, where did my cards go?
Bro, I have no idea.
I bet you my mom walked in the room one day and she was like, yeah, you know what? He probably doesn't need this. Throws the whole binder away.
I was probably in bed by 9, bro, when you were doing that.
Most likely what happened.
I had no choice. What's good, Green? Good, bro.
He was trying to hook me up with the weed whacker. I mean, the weed whacker was cool. It was very like, you know, meditative, I should say, right? So it was good, but I just knew the weed whacker got $250 and the owner got $17.50. And $17.50 sounded much better to me than $250. So that was a very easy choice. Now what I didn't understand is that $17.50 also had to go to fuel and equipment and this, and then that's when I started learning about business expenses.
All
right, what we doing?
Gotta love learning.
Yep. Competition link is it's still in my bag, guys. It's still not ready. I'll let you guys know once it's ready. We're pushing everything back 1 week because there was an issue with the link yesterday, and it was 4th of July and couldn't get it fixed. So yeah, I'll scream it from the mountaintops once the link is available. We're dialing it in, right? Hey, ask TK. No, don't ask me no more. No, I'm just kidding. Put the pressure on TK. TK, where's the link?
TK's like, chat.
If I have slippage, should my broker
No.
cover it? No. They're gonna be like, nope.
Nah, you have to cover that.
You'll be like, they'll be like, you decided to trade when you decided to trade. That has nothing to do with us. And then they'll be like, nope. Out of the game. They're gonna send you an email back. Due to non-farm payroll, there was a lot of volatility in the markets here today. And due to the lot of volatility in the markets, that can sometimes cause slippage. And they're gonna give you that little spiel and send you on your way.
Yep.
So sorry about that. I wish they could, right? I remember I hit them up on.
That's the nice way of saying.
Thought I was gonna get something back.
That's the nice way and professional way of saying I just robbed you of a couple $100.
Thanks for trading news. We'll take that.
Split him to hell.
Dang. Yeah, guitar vibes, guitar vibes. Oh, we're flipping bullish again here. Maybe green will cover the slippage. Ask him. Yeah, news is easy money. They're like, yeah, of course you can trade news. Am I waiting for a closure? Yep. Yeah, that's me. Yeah, there's no point in taking a trade here. Just gonna wait for 3 minutes and we have a 4-hour closure. We got a 1 hour, 30, 15, 5, everything closing up here. 3 minutes.
Oh,
Numbers came out green too.
man, it's going hard.
Interesting. Give me a sec, I'll be right back.
Music's loud. Yeah, we'll let Nick know. Music's hitting right now, though, right? Guy's in his bag. Yeah, let's see how this 4-hour wants to close up here. Remember, the 4-hour gives clues on what the daily wants to do as well, right? The daily is right at resistance. If the 4-hour wants to close above resistance, the 4-hour may want to go up, leading to a clue that maybe the daily wants to go up too. How much did he blow? Wait, are you talking about like, hey yo, are you talking about like trading in the beginning? It's a good way to look at it, like tuition, you know, like college. Like people pay thousands and thousands of dollars for college. It's the same way in trading, right? When you learn how to trade, you may blow a good amount of money, right? A couple hundred, a couple thousand, whatever it may be. I would look at that as you're paying tuition or paying for your college to learn how to trade, right? That's what I would say. Can you answer a question for me? Yes, sir. Rodney FX, give it to me, brother. So my symbol for gold, it may be different because me and Nick's are different. It's weird, but my symbol for gold on the futures chart is MGC Q 2024. Hey, Rich White, yeah, man, that's how I look at it, right? Like, if people ask me, you know, because I just graduated high school, sometimes I'll get people asking me, yo, what are you going to college for? What are you learning? You know, what are you doing? And I'm just like, yeah, I'm learning how to trade. I'm going to college to learn how to trade, right? That's how I see myself right now. I'm still very young, so I'm in college to trade. I'm being very patient with this thing. Who cares if it takes me 4 to 8 years, right? You would go to college to be a doctor for that long. So what's wrong with trading, right? Les Brown always said something too, you know, find what you want to do, right? And commit yourself to doing it until you get it freaking right? Until you get it professional, until you're professional with it, until you got the skill sets locked in, until it's pretty much second nature for you, right? Commit yourself to doing it and you will be able to do it, right? Yeah, Marcus, you switch to futures? Yeah, it's way better. I just switched over to futures as well this past year, and I've been loving it. Yeah, although you may want to chill out with the credit cards. Don't let it put you in too much debt, bro. Because when you're in debt, then you are a slave, right? Because when you're in debt, now you're owing, and you have to work until the debt is paid off. So I would be careful with how much you're spending on the credit card. But hey, bro, I can't tell you what to do. You know, so just look at the result, right? Look at the result of which of your actions, and if you like that result, then continue with those actions. If you don't, then you're gonna have to switch up your actions. Yup, borrower is a slave to the lender. Yes, sir. Lights fire.
Very true.
Why the change to futures? Yeah, like Lights Fire said, more regulation, no slippage, right? We're in the real markets. So it's called the futures market is also called the gentleman's market. So that's where the professionals are at.
All right, so there may be an opportunity here, right? So you've come up here. We closed on the 4 hour. We closed bullish. We did make a low. We're making a high here. We're tapping back into like that 1 hour, 30-minute resistance here. So I mean, we can continue pushing up, right? The 4 hour has such clean traffic to the left-hand side. I want to see if we actually fill that wick, right? Because if we don't, we just broke the high. So why should we break the low here, right? If we do break that low, you've got like a 34 pip move down, and then probably like an 85 pip move towards that entry, right? And numbers did come out pretty good here for the dollar. So I'm going to have a sell stop on the break of the lows here. Boom, boom. Stop's going to be kept above the highs, and that's going to be the play. And then I may be bullish again, just not yet. So if we can come down towards 66 and then maybe even back down towards 62, that's when I'm going to be a little bit more bullish with some better opportunities. But this may be an opportunity for us to pull back, fill that wick, and then, you know, continue pumping down a little bit. You may get like some sort of a fake out in the range here. So something like this. Candle does like a fake out and then comes back up a little bit later. Like this, right? And then we could take our buys from right here, as we would expect price to start moving up on the 4 hour. So if we want to move up now, we should, and we should not break the low, right? We shouldn't break the low if we want to keep going up. We've already broken the highs. That means we have a low, a high, a new low. We should be on our way to make a new high. If we break that low, there's something wrong there for buyers, and that's where the wick fill should come into play. Yeah, I see it, Forex Frank. Yeah, it's a big. We really want to see how we react to right here. So there's a wick to fill here. We want to see how we react in that yellow box, and if we start rejecting and then, you know, break the lows, and that could be our opportunity for price to push down. Yeah, good stuff, John. John spitting gems out here.
That's right.
Spitting gems out here. Yeah, because this 4 hour bottom wick is insane now, right? So price can come all the way down, even back towards 55 here, and still push up later and continue driving bullish. So that's where this bottom wick can get a little crazy. But the key, one of the big keys to this trade is how these wicks are gonna come about, right? Kind of like that's your high. You know, this one wasn't able to go. This one kind of broke the high, and now maybe going to come down and break its own low, right? So if it does that, then that should be where you get this push down into that wick, and then maybe even a, you know, push down into 62 there. My sell stops are going to be on the break of this low right here. Looking at the same idea. Nice. Yeah, we would have to break that low though, so we couldn't sell it yet unless the low breaks. Down here, if we do fill the wick, right, if we do actually break the lows, it's a really good idea for break even, because you might chop off of this from this consolidation right here. You may begin to like reject it. NFP's already done. Yeah, NFP came out a half hour ago, 30 minutes ago. Yeah, if we start to push up through here, then that's where the sells may no longer be too valid, because if you're breaking that high, you're most likely going to start taking off here. I didn't take the trade, same entry on previous candle. That was a news candle. Yeah. Very rarely will I ever trade news candles. Very rarely. I did it once and I made about 10 grand that last time. So you want to hit like 1 or 2 licks a year, and don't try and spoil your luck there with news. Stops are gonna have to be sitting above here. Yeah, so unless this candle closes in 5 minutes, right, and then let's say it closes wherever right there, and then the next one starts driving down, then we can move our stops, but there's really no other stop outside of that one there. Oh yeah, let me close that for you guys. Sorry. Yeah, this is a 15 celery. Yeah, the thing is, it's very early in the 4-hour candle for me to keep going along with these buys, even though we do have clean traffic. News came out good for the dollar here too, so I don't want to get tripped up in this move up if it's going to be a fake out here. Can you name background music? Background music is relaxing lo-fi beats. Relaxing lo-fi. Have I entered? No. How come no buys? Because number one, I think there was a resistance over here. And I don't want to take my buys too early in this 4-hour candle because I haven't had the best success at 9 a.m. here. So that's why I don't want to take the buys. It looks too obvious for the buys, but maybe it'll work out here. We'll see what we do because we're coming up into that resistance as well right here. I'm gonna get rid of a few things here, like this. Yeah, let's just do a fresh analysis. So let's take a look, right? Because the daily candle's moving up now, moving up very well. We're kind of tapping into our target here on the daily. The 4-hour candle has a little bit more room to go. I would say another about 100 pips there, right? So we still got another, we still have decent room to go on the 4-hour. The 1-hour is moving up, coming into this like resistance level as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like here. Yeah, so we'll see what happens. You got resistance here. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. We've just been pushing up here. Yeah, we're coming into resistance now. So let's see how we do here at this resistance, and then we'll go from there. Yeah, 15. There was a 15 celery there for sure. Yeah, I'll probably delete my sell stops too, by the way, because maybe we have to regroup and take a look at this. So I think we need to wait now for like a 15 closure. We'll see how the candle closes, and then we'll make a decision from there whether or not we want to take buys or if we want to wait a little bit. Let's look. So sometimes if you don't have fresh ranges on right where price currently is, you want to go left and you want to see what am I bumping into to the left hand side. So you're tapping into a resistance here. You also have another one at 86, right? And then closures back below 70 would make pretty good sense here. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like. It's not going to look like much over here, but that's basically what I've got. And then that's the break of the low there too. So yeah, so let's see how we react to 79 and then go from there. Purple. Yeah, no wick on the 5 here. Yeah, let's just wait on this 15. We got 45 seconds on the 15 closure here. I didn't close my order yet, but I may have to use current candle stops, right? So let's say that this candle closes right here, and then we end up trying to come down and break the lows. Then the stops are just gonna have to be wherever that candle is. Yeah, if you don't like it, don't take it. But there is a wick to fill. So there is range to go down here, but we'll see what happens. We got pretty steep stops right now. Yeah, or what I think I may do is maybe even let this move go, wait for a closure below, and then take sells. Let's see how we do. It is 9:15, so we do have volume coming in. We have just pushed off of that 15-minute resistance there. So let's see what happens. Because if we can push back into that purple zone there, then we may have a better entry on the break of the low. This low here. So it would be nice actually to push up, attempt to fill that wick, fail, and then break the lows. And then we got about an 80 pip range coming down towards that wick. Yeah, and then our stops would be more so like still about 50 pips, but am I in a buy? No. No, no, no. All right. Yeah, so just gonna wait here and see how we do. If we flip though now and break that 4-hour low, I think there's only one place for this to go, and that's down. What up, Scott? Buy or sell? Buy or sell? Buy or sell? Buy. And then sell. And then buy. And then sell. And then buy. Let me get rid of this poll here. %54% agreed on buys. Good job, guys. But did you get smoked before, or how'd it go? I should have betted the opposite. All right, let's see if this one could wick up here towards like 79. Don't end the stream now. See you later. I'm back. See you later. I'm back. See you later. I'm back. John, you hear music, right? Oh, my bad. Did I mute you? Oh yeah, you could throw the, yeah, you could do that, Scott. You could do it. Man, I want to see this thing wick up here. Candle has no top wick. Which one? Hold the line. Oh yeah, see, John's busy. He said, hold on. John's getting serious. He's getting serious. Hold the line. Yeah, I would have really loved to see price pull up here a little bit, and then we could have them sell stops right there, but it's okay. Fret not. Any trading gold? I have sell stops. So I have sell stops on the break of the 1 hour lows, 30-minute lows, 4 hour lows here. So we'll see how they pan out. May have to adjust stops. Right now my stops are sitting above here. I think that should be good. Because if we do get activated, or if I get activated and then it closes below, this should drive from there. Yeah, I would have liked to get that entry up there though. That's the second day there in a row, but we needed that flip up in order for that to be, in order for me to be confident in that. Yeah, I have sell stop, so I have a sell stop on the break of the 30 low here. Is no trade an option today? Of course, every day. Every day. Unless someone's got a gun to your head saying if you don't trade today, I'm pulling the trigger. I think any day is a good day where if you don't see anything, you can have a no trade day. Candle's gonna close here in about 7 minutes, so we'll wait for this closure. We'll see what happens. We may get I may get activated before that. I don't know, but we'll see. Yeah, you guys can wait for a 30 closure as well. You got 7 minutes for 30-minute closure. One sec.
All right, y'all, I'm back. My bad. I'm gonna go on mute for a sec. James, I think my vantage point is gonna be around 2375. Not sure about Nick, but I'm sure it's very similar. What's good? Ecom Dre, lights fired. What's up, Scott? What's goody? You can put your stop loss above the 15-minute high or the 30-minute high. Up to you, bro. Up to you.
I still haven't gotten this. I gotta get a new chair.
I'll take that one, bro, off your hands.
Oh yeah. MT4 not working. Holy.
That's good, Andrew. Good morning, bro.
Andrew, how you doing, bro? Hey, Andrew, did you ever do that? Did your brother ever do that for you or not? I'm assuming no, since I haven't gotten a picture. Don't tell me you were quaking.
Like,
I think he's quaking. He hasn't responded. Nobody. If you did that, you gotta send me a picture. You'll be the first OG with it. Even before me. Your brother's been busy. I know. Sorry I scared you, Zoomers. Oh man, what happened, bro? What happened to the Zoomers? I can't see you guys. He's got that. Yo, he got that camera that follows him. Word. Those are actually pretty dope. I was looking to get one of those. TTE tats. Yeah. Andrew, did you get that tat? It's coming. It's in the works. All right. All right, 3 minutes here for a closure. 5-minute candle pulled back to leave a wick. You may get a wick fill here. We'll see. But we got 3 minutes for the closure. I'm just gonna delete my sell stops for now and wait on the closure here. 3 minutes left. Yeah, I'm gonna delete this, gang. I'm gonna wait on the closure, and then we may be able to get better stops now, right? Because now if this next candle can come up, right, and make a wick, and then we enter on the break of the lows, we can keep our stops above wherever that current wick is, and then see if we can catch price down. And this will probably be like a break-even point or a partial point, probably a break-even point, and then partials, you know, somewhere down here. So 9:30 cheat code coming up. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, we use that as like I said, either break even. That's be about 30, anywhere from like 30 to 35 pips at that point. So yeah. If we can close week, that'd be even better. Because that's where our wick can be, right? So the higher the next candle's wick, that's where our stops are gonna sit. So. Oh, John's muted again. Sorry, John.
Nah, it's
Great
my bad.
respect for you. Great respect for you too.
Might be.
What would I call this? I would call this the fade. The fade. It'll also be the break of the previous 15 lows too.
Got Armor of God production.
Armor of God production. Let's go. All right, let's see what we do here. 20 seconds. Yeah, we may have like a. Let's see where the high goes here.
You're gonna get an earlier entry or not?
Maybe Johnny boy, maybe.
I don't know.
We would have to make a low and then come back and break the high first to do that.
I like the 4-hour lows.
Yeah, 4-hour lows are good.
Or your
Where's my
impulse
BTC
senses are
holding
tingling.
I have no idea. I haven't looked. I don't look. I just hold. Hold the line. Yeah, man. I want to let's see if we could push a little higher. That'd be awesome. Yeah, chat. This is going to be my sell stop. So I'm going to be moving my sell stops up a bit. And if we break that low, we should have no business continuing up here. So let's attempt to fill it and then stop, sell stops on the break of the low. Perfect. There it is. Yeah, I'm going to have a sell stop here on the break of the lows. No wick. Let's see if we attempt to fill it. If we don't, then we're most likely going to come down, and that's where the reverse should happen. Am I in? I'm not in yet. I have sell stops, so I'm not in yet. If we break the lows here, that's when I'll be in. Keep in mind, we could just break the lows to give a bottom wick and then push up. So understand that the outcome of this trade is completely random. For all the new people on the live stream, we do not have a 100% win rate, nor do we want one. And understand that the outcome of each and every trade is completely random. So we don't want to hear you crying if we lose this trade. And we don't want to see you jumping up and down if we win. You see? Yeah, we would have to fail to fill the wick, right? So you want to see this attempt, right? Because also a lot of buyers are getting activated here now. So you want to see the attempt up. If this thing drives, it's no, you know, no money lost for us, right? So if it breaks the lows, though, that's where we're going to potentially, you know, have our entries. Only failed traders hold who don't have profitable strategy. Sounds good, brother. Chat's quiet now. Chat's quick. Change the music? Never. This is the music, man. This is the music. The music sounds like a funeral. What funerals you go to where it sounds like this?
Crickets.
What's my strategy? There you go. Exclamation point playbook 2. You can learn all about my strategy. You said it's a fade, but we don't have a resistance. So there is there's this resistance here, right? Where is it? So you have these areas here. So you have this area, and now you have this area, right? So there still is more room to go. But I'd rather take my buys after we get above here, right? Because we kind of came up and pushed down. We came up, rejected, pushed down. So there's still way more, a good amount of room here for us in terms of buys, right? If we get the closure above there. So I'm just going to sit tight and wait on that if we get it. But, you know, price is just pushing up here. So it's very tough to take buys right here. Gold might just want to push all the way up today. Who knows?
Yeah, for real.
Why people start yapping? Oh, I've never seen here. Yeah, there's probably new people here who don't know that we've taken this about 40 times and won like 36 of them. So that's probably why they're quaking a little bit. What the heck, bro? What are you doing?
Bacon.
Quake. Yeah, I mean, if you guys want to take your buys up here, go right ahead. You know, no one's stopping you. Take your buys. Do you?
Do you, Bubba? Gold's trolling.
Gold does a little trolling.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Buy at the top, sell at the bottom. Come on, trading 101. Somebody was messing with my mic last night. Lele be coming up to the mic.
Was
She be
it?
coming up like, "Hi, it's me, Lele." I'm like,
Yo, Mavi's birthday in 2 days.
yeah, Maverick turning 2 in 2 days.
Sheesh.
Yeah, man.
That's great.
Do you have an academy? You can learn. You can come straight to the YouTube live streams, man. I think you'll get a lot out of being here. You'll learn professionalism. You certainly won't learn how to gamble like daily live crypto trading does, but we will teach you a professional approach. We'll give you a system. We'll give you the winning mentality. We'll talk about the losing mentality, right, and everything in between. So if you just pull up here for, I would say like a month or so, you should catch on pretty quickly.
Thanks.
Yeah, there's a new
Definitely
playbook
keep it
video. Yep. Yeah, you want to be consistent. Time to go to the army. Gotta learn that discipline, man. We may actually have a shot at the Eagle 4000 here today. So the volume has slowed down here for 9:30, right? We're 8 minutes into the candle, 9 minutes in, and the volume has kind of started to slow down to the upside. So let's see if 9:45 brings in more volatility to the upside. If not, we break those lows. You should, like I said, come down towards 66 and then probably see 62 later. How often and what time do I go live? I go how often? Monday through Friday and 6:45 Eastern, like 7 a.m. Eastern we start. Or you can go over to hang out with Crypto Live Trading, but he doesn't have any videos up on his YouTube or any description or anything like that. I checked you out last time, bro.
And bro.
Yeah, show us your yeah, you could post it right in the Discord, Daily Live Crypto Trading.
I love H's comment. I only listen to Nick's show in the morning and I'm at the brink of quitting my job.
And never drinking tap
That's
water
like
again.
sounds like about everyone.
Hey, where's Scott? Is Scott still here? Let me text Scott real quick, actually.
Scott's here.
I don't think we're gonna go down, zoom out, yeah, that's fine. If we don't go down, that's fine. We don't get activated. We go up, that's fine too. We don't take any position. I don't want to buy up here. It's a little too steep for me. Way too high up. The only way I take a buy now is if we kind of come down and create support. Otherwise, I just let it go.
Excuse me. Old Stalin.
All right, I am going to delete this sell stop here. So, so the sell stop's getting deleted, and we'll have to revise here. So no more sell stops.
You keep adjusting your stop. It's like 20% of your account, 30% of your account,
Yeah.
40% of your account at risk.
No.
You're like, yeah, I'm gonna delete this.
Yeah, we'll see what happens at 88 there. 88 taps target on every time frame. Worst case, we don't take a trade.
Ah, chill, bro.
Never.
Get in, get in. Get in.
Yep.
Yeah,
push it,
4 hour
push it.
closing above. Just want it to go up.
Who sniped the bottom wick? If you snipe that bottom wick and you're still holding? Holy. Yeah, we may get the fade from up here. The fade might be fading from up there. Thundering over there? Yeah, it's been thundering. Like, we've had some sick thunder last couple days. Thunder and lightning.
You're like right in the middle of summer seasons.
Summer. Yeah, straight run up here. Yeah, no bottom wick on this candle either.
Hey, it's all good, H. Just keep pulling up here every day and continue to be a student, brother. You'll learn a lot.
Channel
That's funny,
VS Trader
Xander.
is live. Damn, bro, you're desperate. Desperate. Let's go. Let's go check them out. This one?
Looks like he has nothing on there.
One sub?
All right, bro. Continue on, bro.
Oh, I
Or else
forgot.
I'm out.
Hey, look, this was John in school. I forgot about this.
Oh, shit.
We were looking at it earlier.
Nah, is my camera showing?
Yeah. It was on earlier. Right here, see?
Oh, shit. It's crazy.
Tandy was in the whip.
I have like a jacket on because it's freezing in school. They like programmed me to be a bot.
Ba. All right, let's see what happens here. Bottom wick, break of the highs, tap into purple, break of the lows, sell stop.
Man, fuck. You're a dirty, dirty man.
This one we may have a good stop, but we can't drive right now. We need to move up. We need to move up before I set a sell stop here.
That's how it's gonna be today with gold.
Oh, nice, Rich. Let's go. We love to hear that, man.
Yeah, that's great. That's great stuff.
Yeah. We may fall from here. No wick here, man.
Yeah, man.
Can we get an entry? Will it let us in?
That's just the way gold's acting today, I guess.
Yeah. Almost.
Damn, bro. That's sad.
12 minutes we got for a candle to close. That would have been a pretty good impulse entry here. 36 pips right out the gate there. Yeah, that's what we were kind of expecting over here. Yeah, those would have been nice tight stops too. Let's see what we got. Hey, W. Learned a lot, improved so much. Beautiful. It's my pleasure. Yeah, it's too late now. It's too late now. So now we need a closure, if anything. Good job, Purpose. Let's go. It faded there.
Nice purpose.
Good job, bro.
Enjoy your lunch. Yo, Brad, burgers on the grill yesterday? Oh my gosh. Burgers on the grill are different.
They different. All right. 1 hour close is coming up in about 10 minutes here. That may be the entry of the day right there, chat.
Or maybe this 15.
Rain's too loud? Yeah.
Yo, I'm sorry, Louis G, bro. I'm starving too, but I still got 10 more hours of fasting.
It's time to eat.
Eat. I can already hear Alea saying that.
Green eats like every like 5 minutes.
Yo, excuse me. Yo, Green, how does it feel that I do 24-hour fasts every day?
Already ate 3-piece chicken nuggets. Oh, lit. Chicken tenders probably.
That's
Yeah, where Green got breakfast, pre-lunch, pre-dinner, pre-snack.
Damn, Green. Chill out.
Holy. What's for pre-lunch today, Green?
Green, I thought you were starting to cut.
He did. Kid's cutting. The cut's cutting. But
Exactly, fast a little bit. A little bit intermittent fasting.
Don't trade prop firms, guys. Only influencers make money here. Like and subscribe to my channel. Yeah. Oh, man, bro. Escape the Matrix. God bless, brother.
You're on a mission.
Green is prepared. Watch out for Green, man.
Green's a G. Starting to miss the beach, bro.
When am I gonna open a trade? I already did. You're not in? Wait, you're not in? Everybody, chat, you're all in, right?
I'm in.
I'm in. Who else is
Lesson number 1 of today. Don't trust no one.
Look, you see, everyone's in, bro. Where were you?
Yeah, me and Nick are in. You guys are just lacking.
See? Damn. What a beautiful trade, too.
50 pips up in profit.
We all individually made $100,000 today on a prop firm. What's the best size for? Oh, best lot size for 10K? Probably like a 1 lot.
Probably magic keys.
Probably like a 1 lot. Traders trade, bro. Yeah, this was a good 30 plus pip, I think. Where'd all these Quakers come from? Sandman, we're getting very popular again. You know, I mean, it doesn't have anything to do with like the record or the trading. You know, they just love to be here. But yeah, I think we're starting to get a little popular again.
You gotta chill out with the record, bro. Maybe throw a couple losses on there.
We need the Quakers to come in. We'll give them a couple L's, spit them out, and then we'll be back to normal. The normal
Yeah,
spot.
Facts, dog.
The other day I was on Wix's stream. He's like, "Yo, everyone's saying TT had such a great trade today." I'm like, "Who's everyone?" No one knows me.
Right? Like, when did you become famous, bro?
What lot size would I use on a 100K prop firm? I would use 5 lots or anywhere from 5 to 10 lots. 5 to 10 lots. 10 maybe your full risk, and then 5 like half risk. A 1 lot's a lot for 10K funded. I didn't see him say it was funded. I didn't know if it was funded. He just said regular 10K. Let's put the February. Let's put the February record back on the OBS thing. At what point did you realize you were profitable? After how many years into it? So I wouldn't even go off the years. I would just say once I stopped like actually losing money, you know, got to that break even point and then just started cranking from there. That took me about 2.5 years or so. But then there's no like, it's not like, hey, ever since May of 2021, I've been a profitable trader. Like, you're gonna have profitable months, you're gonna have months that aren't profitable, you're gonna have profitable weeks that aren't profitable. Like, it's not how most people perceive it to go. Like, a lot of people think, hey, at what point did you become a profitable trader? Well, it was May, right? So then that means I should never lose, never have a red month, like ever again, right? Since May, because I've gotten this like secret fairy dust dumped on me that says I'm a profitable trader, right? It don't go like that. I promise y'all. Promise you guys. You still go through losing streaks, losing days, red days. You know what I mean? So, but it's all about the consistency. So if you're not breaking your rules as much anymore and you're turning a profit, then that's awesome. But just because you're a profitable trader doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to be profitable every single month. If that makes sense.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say too. It's more so like your consistency of acting on the skill sets that you need to act on.
Yeah. Yep. You could have a losing month. You could have a losing year. I mean, there's one guy I know I'm friends with. He's a 6-figure a month trader some months, but guess what? He hasn't had a green month since March. Right? But he's made over $1 million trading. But he's in a slump. You know, he's in a losing streak right now, you know? So yeah, there's never that point where it's just like, all right, the switch is turned on and you'll never lose again. It's just not real. That's typically the marketing tactic for people trying to sell you like a course. Like, you'll never be, you know, you want to see consistent profitability forever. You know, it's just not real. Any trades taken? Not yet. We had a couple orders placed, but we haven't taken any. Mr. Traders X. Hope you're doing well today, bro. How does a losing trader pay for things if he doesn't have a losing month? He doesn't spend all his money, right? I got news for you guys, gang.
Yeah, right.
If you make $5 grand in a month, guess what? You don't have to spend that $5 grand that month. Wow. Yeah, would you believe that? When you make money, chat, guess what? You don't have to spend it. You don't have to spend it. You know, my mentor would say, man, back when I was a kid, I couldn't hold money long enough for 2 nickels of, I don't even know, some old school, like, clever thing, right? He couldn't keep money in his pocket long enough, right? So you really got to understand how money works and get your financial literacy up, and then you'll save. It's called a rainy day. You know, it's called a rainy day.
I was just gonna say that. Got to save for a rainy day.
You make 10K every month, right? For 4 months, so that's 10, 10, 10, 10. That equals 40, right? You don't spend this 40, right? You don't spend the 10 every month and then just re-up the 10 and re-up the 10, right? You hold as much as you can. You want to limit your expenses so that way you can hold that, right? So that way when you go 1 month of negative or 2 months of negative, it doesn't affect you, right? You still got all this money here. Keep your expenses low, income high, come back here in 3 years and thank me. It might not be fun for the next 3 years, but it will be fun in 3 years, I'll tell you that. Yeah, or you just eat like what? You just eat water. Just chew on some water all day.
Eat water.
Yeah. Just chew on some water all day long. Alright. 1 hour candle is closed. 15-minute candle is closed. We still may get a shot here. If we get a top wick, I'm maybe interested in having some sell stops here off of the 15-minute time frame, understanding that 30/1 hour, you know, kind of has been tapped here. And this may be where we get our pullback. So,
Would you have it on the current lows or previous?
no, current lows here because we want to see if we could fill that wick. But we do want to push up first to entice these late buyers to get involved here, and then I'm gonna have a sell stop. Do I stream London session? I do not. What should be a lot size for 20K? I don't think there's really a lot size. Like, I don't think there's a right or wrong. Depends. Are you a risky trader? Are you like do you like risk? Do you not like risk? 20 lots if you like risk. 2 lots if you don't. Is it a funded account? Is it a Yeah, man, that was another entry. We had a shot again, but no top wick, or not the best top wick here. Yeah, we need that top wick because you want to activate buyers. There's a lot of buy stops sitting here. How come top one has low leverage? Because they don't want people crying when it's like time to trade their live account, and then they blow in the first day. So I'm actually happy about that because the most I could trade on my 200K is 4 lots right now. So I'm actually happy about that because I'd be trading 20 lots. Could be a no trade day. Could be. It could be. What time is it? 10? Yeah, 4 lots you could still eat good, man. 10 pips is $400, so I'm not a greedy guy.
What's good, Armor of God production? Yeah, so when I got introduced to trading, Nick was already trading for about a year and a half, maybe or so, learning it, right? And no, me and him, and then I started learning with him, right, as he was learning too. He wasn't profitable yet when I learned with him, but he was starting to get there. But yeah, I hope that answers your question. We were learning together in the beginning.
Wasn't I just so amazing in the beginning? I was just natural born trader,
you're
right?
awesome.
No mistakes.
You're so great.
Profitable right out
You're
the
so
gate.
great. You're so great.
Tell him, John. Tell him I got the secret sauce. I got the secret sauce. 100% win rate. I never even lost a trade.
Yep.
Been trading for 5 years. Haven't lost a trade once.
Yeah. But yeah, he wasn't profitable. I started trading with him. Or started to learn with him.
I was making the broker.
That was so fun, bro. That was fun as hell. I could see, and I knew, like, yo, I was like, all right, I gotta hop on this one because Nick has been dedicated to success for the last decade. And 2, I could see the hunger in his eyes, bro. Like, I saw the hunger in his eyes. He had a kid on the way. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna follow this guy.
You'll understand real trading when you lose all and put your last money in, and then there's do or die, and your mind works full potential. Bro, you don't know who you're talking to. You don't know who you're talking to. Daily live trading. What are those? Oh, man. So, yeah, I would have liked to get this entry here.
Damn, bro. I'm in the cells.
Nice. Yeah, would have liked it. Haven't had a no trade day in a while, actually. No trade day.
We needed to pull back.
Yeah, I've traded every day this month. It's been a minute. It's been a minute. Is this a fade? This I would consider more of like an onion play. And would have liked to enter here, but needed a little bit of a top wick there.
I seen like one on my chart.
Yeah. Let's see.
I'm holding to that 15-minute support.
Yeah, I don't blame you. We should have good volume coming in here.
Here we go. Lead for me.
Split. That was a good fade. Yeah, that was a good fade. The only thing is, I would have liked this to come up a little bit more. It never came up. No wickas, no wicks. You're uncertain on a fade setup. Does it make sense to wait for an onion? Absolutely. Yup. If it doesn't look too clear to you on the fade, then just wait on the onion. But sometimes you're gonna miss the move because that onion's gonna be like, you know, massive. So that's why we take the fade. But if it ain't there, because when we're what we would do before is we'd wait for a nice little cute little, you know, resistance like that, right? Let me make it white so you guys can see it better. We would wait for a nice trade like this. Hey, and then we would take our sells. Hello everyone, hi. But we noticed that there was a lot of times where this just faded off, right? Without us waiting for that. So that's where we came up with that opportunity.
Yeah, that's what I would do. If I was ever adding a new setup, I would always collect data before I started actually putting some real money on the line. I think it's more professional. But yeah, I like that data first.
There you go, John. 15 support coming up.
See what it's about.
Say hi, everyone. It's me, Lele. Look, Uncle John.
Yeah, Lele.
Say hi.
Hey, Lele.
That's why the volume's here, because Lele has awoken.
Come on, Lele. One more push for us.
You couldn't wake up a minute later, so it could have made a top wake for Daddy, and then we could have paid for Maverick's birthday presents and his cake. It's a spin onion. There you go. Oh, Maverick's gonna hit a. What do you hit, Maverick? You could press one. Press one.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
Maverick said you're not that guy.
Oh, the fire trade.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me.
You're not that
guy.
Don't do that one.
You're not that
Anything
guy,
but
pal.
that button.
Trust me.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
There's no strategy. I have no strategy.
Tell him to bring out the whole
strategy.
ocean. Stop the cap. The whole ocean.
We like to troll. We do
Tell
a
him to
little
bring out the whole
trolling. It's
ocean.
called we do a little trolling. We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Damn.
Sorry, guys.
So much.
It's their world. I'm just living in it.
Yes, sir. Lights fire.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
You're not.
No, Scott. I took the 15-minute onion. I waited for the 15 closure.
Yeah, this was that fade opportunity right here, man. Really just wanted to see a top wick, and I would have been in there. All right, guys. No more. Look, look. You see that? It's sending alarms now.
It's time!
Lights fire. Did you take it? Or Scott?
Later. Peace.
Oh, damn. All right. I knew the stream.
What happened? Later, Maverick.
Done.
All right. What are you doing today, Nick? Just gonna sit here and wait for a setup. Game over.
I'm gonna wait for another setup too, brother.
There's that bottom wick.
Hit me with a text.
I'm not leaving. Today's Friday. I keep thinking today's Monday. Oh, damn. My bad, guys. Whoops.
Yeah, Scott, I feel that. I didn't know how I felt really with that candle closure, but just the fact that we've been so bullish right now, like there was a call. It was, you know, price bid wanted to pull back, I think.
I think it's time to force trades. I agree, Marcus. Yeah, I for some reason I feel like it's Monday.
Trader Dre, are you serious, bro? When did I do that?
What happened?
And he was I don't even know, man. I don't know.
Don't worry, the screen's better now. Just refresh.
All right, bro, you gonna go for a walk?
No. I will sit here and scalp gold for the remainder of the day.
That's a good plan.
Let's go, Green. Who wants to join a private Zoom, and we'll just scalp the rest of the day. 10 pips here, 10 pips there. Negative 50 pips. Positive 10, negative 40. Sounds like fun, doesn't it? And then boom, boom, positive 10, positive 10, positive 10. Negative 40 again. Damn, where are we at now? Oh, no voice? No, voice should be good. The link to the tournament is unfortunately not out yet. So we're going to push the whole tournament back 1 week. So that way next week you guys have all week to set everything up on your free accounts. Cancel all your plans, man. We're sitting here all day. Hey, C Melly, have a great weekend, bro. Enjoy golf and enjoy the wedding, man. I think I have to message you back. I'll shoot you a message today, bro. Mom, you want to sit on Daddy's lap too?
Of course she does.
The kids are getting all the attention.
Yo, where's
Dominic? Ain't leaving.
Where is mommy at?
Mommy's here.
Let me see. Let me talk.
She doesn't want to grace the stage yet.
Tell her Johnny Gems wants her on camera.
She looks so beautiful. More beautiful than I think I've ever seen her look. Right,
Tell her I want her to come on camera.
Don't ever say that again, bro. He said he wants you to come on camera. Don't ever disrespect.
I'll say hello.
Don't ever talk to my wife like that, bro.
Hey, shut the hell up, bro.
What?
Do something.
Son.
Do something.
Let me get internet gangster.
Do something, bro.
Let's do it. Suck at trading, John.
I'm right here, bro. Square up.
Sucks at trading. Oh, this is what you guys do? John's a scam.
Hey, screw you, bro. I don't care what you said. You think this guy gets in my head, y'all? I'm in full control here.
We like to troll.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
All right, man. Did you hit TP there?
Yes, sir.
Bet. Trigger figures on Twitter.
Thank you, Cannon. We got a lot of Team John here. I'm taking over your chat.
Did my wife show up to the stream yet? Did she? Did she come on stream? I think she might.
I didn't come here to take part, but I came here to take over.
Ooh.
Yes, sir. That's a warning, Nick.
Alright, my bad. My bad. We'll get you in this seat over here.
That's what I thought.
John's gonna host a live stream on August something when I take my wife on a little trip.
I'm about to host a live stream every freaking day.
Oh.
Getting bloody out here, Scott.
That was good. It felt good to quake in the chat a little bit. Ooh, what else could I say? Hi Nick, I have $400. What do you advise me? Trade with or buy a prop firm? I would say I would buy The Magic of Thinking Big. I would read that and then I would look at the $380 you have left after reading that and then make a decision. The best investment will be in yourself. And then from there you can probably make pretty good decisions. Yeah, I would do even Think and Grow Rich. You'll be shocked. It's probably about like $9 at your local bookstore. Yeah, hey, you know, message TK on Discord. I'm gonna give you a 25K account so you can mess around with that, and then that way you have enough money for the book too. What's your name again? Sammy Muhammad. I got you with a 25K challenge account. Another Sam, man. Sam's everywhere. Sammy's over here. Sammy's over there. Hello, Nick. Can I add another account to my top one trader? Yeah. You can get another account. I'm not sure if you can merge it, but you can hook it up on a copy. Hook it up on a copy trader.
Might wait for this 30, Nick.
When does that close?
9 minutes.
9 minutes.
You better end it.
What copy trader can you use with match? That I'm not sure, man. I'm not too sure. I know that there was Social Trader and Traders Connect that we were all using for a while, so you could look into them. I think that should be good, unless that was only like an MT5 thing. I'm not sure. Yeah. Yeah, text me and then text that guy TK on Discord too. No, I do not have a sell stop here. I do not. I do not.
We've been using Roadful for...
Yeah, nothing really came to the plan. You know, we had 2 attempts or 3 attempts really, right? We were looking to potentially have a sell stop here at 74. If this 1 hour, or I'm sorry, this 15-minute candle could have respected those highs. On the flip, I wanted to have a sell stop, but that never got activated. I was looking to potentially have a sell stop here, but that kind of ran, and then another one here, but that ran. So yeah, nothing yet. And we seem to be kind of trying to continue moving up here as well. So yeah, I think if you get a closure back above 78, then more buys may play out. Traders Connect works good with Match Trader. Okay, cool. Cool, yeah, I wasn't sure if they did that. My second middle name is Dan, but it sounds, that's true, it does sound like Sam. But I think I'm gonna call it a day here, man, because nothing really seems like it's standing out too much. Yeah, we took 8 trades this week, so it was a good week, good trades. That was also with a day off, with a holiday in the middle. No trades here today. Yeah, price just NFP day and no shot. You know, we had a couple opportunities that we were trying, but didn't get the shot. So yeah, I think I'll probably call it a day. Call it a week.
All right, bet, bro. Sounds good.
Yeah. John, good trade, bro.
Sir, thanks, bro.
W.
You as well. Good week, bro.
Yeah, fire week, chat. Good start to July. This was the first week of July, so we got NFP out of the way and all that now, so we should be pretty smooth sailing into the month here. So I think that is, unless anyone has any questions. Can you give me a 5K? Hey man, you can't ask for it. You know what I mean? You just gotta, I just gotta feel like giving it. Trust me,
I bet, bro.
my
DMs
DMs are filled with people asking.
bet.
Yeah, man. John, I'll holla at you, bro.
Bet, bro. I'll give you a call later.
Sounds good.
All right, bet. Peace, chat. Have a good day. See you guys Monday. Peace.
Later.
Peace.
All right, chat. Hope you guys have a great day. I hope you guys learned a thing or two here this week. It was a great week. We did take a good amount of trades. Nothing really here on NFP Friday, and that's A-OK. First no trade day in a bit here, so that's perfect. Haven't really had a no trade day in a while, but here we are. So we'll call it here, and we'll get back to it on Monday. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Enjoy it, and we'll keep you guys posted on when that link pops off, and then we'll have all next week for everyone to kind of get registered and signed up and free accounts and all that good stuff. So y'all be easy. Mods, thank you guys for pulling up as always, and I'm gonna get out of here. Y'all have a great weekend. Blessings. Later, chat. Peace.
I'm still with the same friends, out here with the same bros. We still out here mobbing, it's just in a Range Rover. Made it with the same guys, now we different bank rolls. Now we all in designer, driving past the same hoes. I'm still with the same friends, out here with the same bros. We still out here mobbing, it's just in a Range Rover. Made it with the same guys, now we different bank rolls. Now we all in designer. I'm still with the same friends, out here with the same bros. We still out here mobbing, it's just in a Range Rover. Made it with the same guys, now we different bank rolls. Now we all in designer, driving past the same. I'm still with the same friends, out here with the same bros. We still out here mobbing, it's just in a Range. I'm still with the same friends, out here with the same bros. We still out here mobbing, it's just in a Range Rover. Made it with the same guys, now we different bank rolls. Now y'all in designer, driving past the same hoes. I'm still with the same friends, out here with the same bros. We still out here mobbing, it's just in a Range Rover. Made it with the same guys, now we different bank rolls. Now y'all in designer, driving past the same hoes. Yeah, told you I would never change this shit. Young Charlie, yeah, he the same and shit. I'm out here gunning it. On a Friday, got in the name and shit. Champagne in my hand, I'ma spray that shit. My dogs gon' dance on the stage and shit. Throwing up shots in the pavement. Same old roads, I'm claiming it. And I'm with all the ones from the jump. Now we do what we want when we want. It'll be that way till I'm gone. Till I'm gone, till I'm gone. I'm still with the same friends, out here with the same bros. We still out here mobbing, it's just in a Range Rover. Made it with the same guys, now we different bank rolls. Now y'all in designer, driving past the same hoes. I'm still with the same friends, out here with the same bros. We still out here mobbing, it's just in a Range Rover. Made it with the same guys, now we different bank rolls. Now y'all in designer, driving past the same hoes. Fuck all these bitches, I know they want part of my money, no dummy, I'd rather them eat. It's hard to know when they like it for you. If it's my music, then how I'm unique. I know I'm young and I'm fly with the heat. Gotta value myself so I won't even beat. Pussy boy niggas be subbing through tweets. Once I give a response, I be when they repeat. I know I make it look easy, but I'm focused, ain't no time to slack. Tryna go for my bro, I'ma clap. When I told you I love you, none of it cap. At the time with my brother, we made it. Still be with my day ones, they dated. Was a couple of niggas, they faded. From the jump and miss out, I played it. I'm still with the same friends, out here with the same bros. We still out here mobbing, it's just in a Range Rover. Made it with the same guys, now we different bank rolls. Now y'all in designer, driving past the same hoes. I'm still with the same friends, how we live like this. We out here blowing through them stop signs, riding shotgun through the sticks. Don't need no one but my same guys, out here getting bank roll. We still out here mobbing, it's just in a Range Rover.
Get back to the business, I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it, yeah. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk. Whoa, I was chasing my glory, then fell asleep. Woke me up and told me to go feed the sheep. Sent me deep in the streets just to bring them peace. Yeah, we be where them blickies be bustin', where they end your life with no discussion. But as soon as they see the light rushing, they know that the Lord walking with us, no bluffing. People say that I'm fake, I'm like, okay. Do you walk in the light or you throw shade? 1 more sex on my skin, I got no shame. We was preaching about Jesus before fame. Get it? Did that. On my side, yeah, he been that. That's the devil where my sins at. On the cross, cause he pinned that. Big throne where he sits at. Death hit him, then he hit back. Resurrected, yeah, that's big facts. Told us hold it down till he get back. Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah, walk with me. Step in the scene with the fly, had to keep it so steady, don't fall for the fast. Had to cut out the session, he got in the crop. Hold up, spiritual weapons when miracles happen. I'm never surprised cause it got. Ain't serving no Hannah Montana, ain't switching my banner like David, we slinging the rock. We kicking this beating, why serve you sure, even if it mean I'm bleeding. Come kill my flesh, my soul still breathing. Speak through me, yeah, yeah. This heart keep beating, these lungs keep singing. Come and step into the kingdom, for the ones mistreated. Till the day we see them. This feel like the moment we seek in the day we can sing up the water, get freedom to walk. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk, get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it, yeah. Let's go.
counterfeit, I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me, yeah. Ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace, yeah. Hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it. I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it. I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death. I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father. I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah. Say it and it's done. Breakthrough. Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame.